Dismiss on delay.
Item 4.
The allegation to the effect that there is no opportunity provided to the petitioner is not correct because admittedly the petitioner has secured less marks than the opposite party number 6. Therefore, the opposite party number 6 has been rightly appointed by the selection committee. Accordingly, the writ petition dismissed.
5.
5. Dismissed.
Item number 6.
Dismissed.
Item number 7.
Dismissed.
Item number 8.
Also dismissed.
Item 9.
Dismissed.
Item 10.
Then with respect to the discussion, court is inclined to entertain the prayer of the petitioner. The appointment of one Dipanjali Dharani as Asha worker in respect of village Khaliapali with a notice number so and so issued by the superintendent CSC is hereby quashed. Accordingly allowed.
Item 11.
Bail allowed.
Item 12.
Dismissed.
Item 13.
Dismissed.
Item 14.
With respect to the aforesaid discussion, this court is inclined to quash the order dated 26/2023 passed by the President State Consumer Forum. According to the petitioner, the opposite party one holds the liberty to file a civil suit or approach the mediation center to resolve the dispute.
Second appellate forum of the HCDS. Apex court said no.
Apex court said no. Paragraph 12.
The paragraph 12 issues that.
Issues in course of the hearing the matter, manifold contentions were raised on either side. However, the moot question that falls for our consideration is whether we should entertain this petition seeking special leave to appeal under
Yes, 136.
that is statutory appeal.
Yes.
136 special leave petition no boli कहला no बुझिकरी आपण चली गला ए करिया पे
I have
आपण 136 और statutory appeal with difference बुझछन तो
okay, that has been discussed.
no कौन देखली मते
You also will find
कोड पेपर देखंतु
next paragraph is 16
15
and 16 both the consumer
SLP of appeal did a different sir. SLP is a leave to appeal and appeal is a statute grants you the to approach the appellate forum.
What we are doing,
हाँ
we are NCDRC orders, we are challenging the.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପଢି ସାରେ ନ ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ମାନିଯିବୁ ନା କଣ ମୁଁ ପଢି ସାରେ ଯଦି it is convincible I will definitely I will say
I pray for adjournment.
page ନାଇଁ 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 ଆପଣ ଏବେ ପଢିବେ ନା
Page 17, paragraph 17 also.
paragraph 17
हाँ.
paragraph 17 ପଢ ଏ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ କାନୁନ କାହିଁ ଧରିକି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ କାନୁନ ଆଣିବେନି I don't hate this Indian କାନୁନ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି SSC ଅନଲାଇନ ଆଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଏଆର ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ କାନୁନ
It starts from plain reading of the.
plain reading of the would indicate that the remedy of appeal to this court is available only with respect to the orders passed by the NCDRC in exercise of its power. Confident. अब एटा बुझु नांते खाली कहि जानते
Therefore, apex court.
एपेक्स कोड देयरफॉर कोन अपील रे केवल आसीबो एसएलपी रे आसीबोनी बोली कहला
Exactly.
हां तापर आकु पढंतु तापर कोन कहछि in other words both the acts provide for the remedy of appeal to this court only with respect to the orders which are passed by the NCRT in its original jurisdiction or no sorry or as the court of first instance original orders and no further appeal lies against the orders which are passed by NCRT in exercise appellate or revisional jurisdiction. Revisional jurisdiction jiboni.
Since I have approached Hon'Ble apex court in the appellate side after the NCDRC order, therefore Hon'Ble apex court said you have to approach the jurisdiction.
आपन revisional order हितिबो
नहीं एटा appeal
कोन
appeal ले जाइथिन
आज्ञा NCDRC आपण जो जिबे NCDRC कोन कोदरे जानते रिवीजन करि जिबे ना
ओरिजिनल ऑर्डर टा हितला स्टेट कमिशन रे
भगवान
सीसी
स्टेट कमिशन रो जिबे आपण जो जिबे NCDRC कोन फाइल करंदी आपण
सेटा जदी कंप्लेन केस में आस्ते डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम रो देन रिवीजन हबो सीसी बिफोर द स्टेट कमिशन देयरफॉर अपील देयरफॉर apex court remanded the matter to file before this order.
Okay, we'll see, we'll examine it
2 weeks after.
2 weeks after
Along with other 9 matters, I have given the list.
ठीक है भलो कथा
2 weeks after. Yes, sir. You know, other reports matters are being entertained. And
दियंतु
now,
सर दियंतु
so far as this, so
मो तो एंटरटेन चाहूची I don't मो खाली law को I have to respect the law. I don't have a problem in
it is
entertaining.
convenient for us also to approach.
Yes,
this
yes,
court.
that is
Instead of
always there,
approaching
sir,
the
always
apex
there. But I don't want to cross the limit. Lakshman Rekha is there, na?
No.
I should not cross.
So 19 Act also clarifies. This court.
That's
is
why Supreme Court is the
Supreme Court again,
we should not cross the Lakshman Rekha, the only thing. Otherwise, I don't have any problem.
Sir, other 9 matters may be tagged.
9 matters take together. List the
Will be
matter for
taken up
final hearing.
11 December.
Final hearing.
We commencing 11 December.
I'm in the week commencing like any. 11 mana even 11 as you. I'll commencing function.
Then 14th.
14 rasu.
14 December.
14.
Okay. Press admission.
Out of
Because notice has not.
Huh?
Press admission as you notice that.
place as you.
Okay.
Yes,
Item
next.
15.
Well, in this case, I am already filed the IMI lord, the IM number 845 for impeding original owner of the party, my lord. To impede opposite but not to as a original owner, my lord, of vehicle.
Original or
Yes.
15 item 15.
Yes.
Item 15 too.
Yes, ma'am.
You have implemented the part.
Yes,
next
ma'am.
part.
I filed this case, but did not in list.
Okay,
This
Miss
is my lord, but I am only filing.
number is
Yes.
ଆମ ଫାଇଲ କୁ ଆସିଛି ଏମିତି କେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ଆସିଲେ ହବ ନା ସବୁ ଏଠି ଏଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପ୍ଲିଜ କରନ୍ତୁ
Already I filed, my lord. Number is there, my lord.
ମୋର ଦେୟାର ବଟ୍ ଏଠି ଆସିବ ଏନିୱେ ଇଜ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସମ ଅଦର 14 15 के ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦିଅ
Notice may be issued, my lord. Because
issue notice
open
issue notice to the opposite party the newly added implemented is a newly implemented party leader newly implemented party realization
my lord.
okay the petitioner to file the requisite within 3 working days from today hala
Already the file the consolidated cause title also filed.
Please the matter on 12 तारीख के 14 तारीख 14 December 14 next
Item 16.
16.
So, my application for registration of release of vehicle was rejected, my lord. My application for release of vehicle was rejected, my lord. Therefore, I am the application of
you
court.
approach here
Yes.
for that
I am the
challenging that order
yes, I am the informant in the case, my lord. That is Bhuban case number 256 by 2000.
so
But-
you are you are the vehicle or not
No, my lord, not.
who
But
are you then
there is agreement. This the original was sold me, my lord. That is annexed
the
to
original order told you
me.
by way of an agreement
Yes, and also there is a power of attorney there, my lord.
Huh?
fire of attendant also, my lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଧୀରେ କହନ୍ତୁ ନା ଏତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ଲିଜ ବି ସ୍ଲୋ 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 everybody can understand yes.
My lord.
paragraph 8 ଏମିତି କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ paragraph 8 ଏମିତି କଲେ ଶୁଭ ନାଇଁ କହିବା ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ସେଟା ବି ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପାଇବେ ସେଟା ବି ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପାଇବେ ଏଠି ଏତେ ସ୍ପିଡ କାହିଁ କହିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ କଥା ବୁଝେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା
Adjust ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନା problem ନାହିଁ। ଜରୁର ବାଡି ଧରି ଗୋଡୁଥିବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ
Page 15, my lord,
ହୁଁ
that the statement of the original owner, my lord. Also, the statement was recorded by police, my lord.
page
15, my lord.
15 statement of Arti Sahu. Who is this Arti Sahu?
In the original owner, my lord.
Original ମୋର ଆରତୀ ସାହୁ ଦେଖ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମୋର ଆରତୀ ସାହୁ ନା
That is recorded by police.
ଭଗବାନ ଆଜି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ବୟାନ ଦେଉଅଛି କି ଯେ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କର ଅନେକ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ସେହି ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଭଡା ସୂତ୍ରରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ମୋର ନାମରେ OR 09E1956 ନମ୍ବର ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଏକ 6 ଚକିଆ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଥିଲା 2017 ମସିହାରେ ବିଜୟ କୁମାର ସାହୁ ନାମକ ଜଣେ ଚିହ୍ନା ଲୋକ ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାହୁ ନାମକ ଏକ ଲୋକକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଥିଲା ଆପଣ କିଏ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଆପଣ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ହଁ
My lord.
ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଉକ୍ତ 6 ଟ୍ରକ୍ କିଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରିଥିଲେ ସବୁ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ସରିଲା ପରେ ଗାଡିକୁ ଆମେ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବିକିବା ପାଇଁ 6 ଚକିଆ ଗାଡିକୁ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବିକିଦେଲେ ଗଡବଡ 6 ଚକିଆ ଗାଡି 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କିଣିଲେ ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 40 ଲକ୍ଷ 50 ଲକ୍ଷ ଲାଗୁଛି 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାରେ କେମିତି କଣ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଇଏ ଶାଗ ମାଛ ଆଜି ଆମ୍ବ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଭେରାଇଟି ଆମ୍ବ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ କିଲେ ପଡୁଛି ଆଉ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଟା ଆମ୍ବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସମାନ
ମଝିରେ ଯେ ମାଇନ୍ସ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା ସବୁ ଟ୍ରକ୍ actually ସେ ଟାଇମରେ ବହୁତ
2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ବିକିଦେଲେ ଲୋକ ବେକାର କଥା କୁହ କେହି ବି ଏତେ ମୂର୍ଖ ନୁହେଁ ଯେ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଟ୍ରକ୍ ବିକିଦେଲେ
ओरिजिनल ओनर
कुछ गड़बड़ है
आउ से एफआईआर भी जो देछंती पिटिशन लॉ एफआईआर अगेंस्ट हिज ओन ब्रदर 379 केस जनो बापा ना नेट्स को
ହଁ ନାଇଁ original ସେ ଗାଡି ନେଇଥିଲେ ଫେର ନଥିଲା ତାର ରିକଭରି ହେଲା ହେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଉଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦ୍ୱାରା ରିକଭରି ହେଲା
ଆପଣ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ନ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ଶୁଣିବିନି ବହୁତ ସ୍ଲୋ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଓଡିଆରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେନି ନା ଓଡିଆ କହିଲେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଏମିତି ବହୁତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
initial matter that the agreement on the basis of agreement the petition was running the vehicle matter
ओके
that is I annexed matter and again there are and power of attorney there also I also filed that annexed matter and since I am running the vehicle my brother was forcefully taken out of the vehicle and I
so
filed
what to do why is this your brother you solve between
No,
brother
no.
and
What happened, man? I filed a police station
then go to the police station
FIR that was registered or subsequently the vehicle is seized by the police matter.
अच्छा ठीक है तब फिर प्रॉब्लम कौन
Then I filed the application to release the petition.
you go and file application
That is rejected my lord.
rejected
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैं कौन करी
After that being released my lord. Because that two judgments of this one court my lord. That a seized vehicle should be released in favor of the registered owner if no universal application. In the present case, vehicle was transferred in favor of the petitioner. Registered owner.
so that is now you are the registered owner
No, my lord.
in that case
Registered
आपको
owner
कहीं देवे
does not lay any
that
claim.
case the registered owner is
Not claim.
run down or not claim
Yes,
that's
my
why the order was passed but here let notice go to original owner
हाँ obviously पार्टी बनेले ना यदि पार्टी बनाते तक बनातु हाँ आओ ଅଧା ବାଟରେ ଛାଡି ଯେମିତି ପଡିଲେ ହବ କି
Because my lord, there are two agreements there, man.
ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ବଟ୍ ତାକୁ ଡାକିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ଆପଣ ନା ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଭୁଇ ନା ଭଣ୍ଡାରୀ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ବସିକିରି ଏଠି ମୁଁ ଅନର ହେଇଯିବ ଆପଣ ଅନର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇନି ନା ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ ଆପଣ ହେଇଯିବ let the original owner be included in the party within 3 days from today huh ତାପରେ ଲାଗେ 23 ତାରିଖ ହେଲା 23
My lord.
next
Item 17.
17
May I please your lordship? My lord, the petitioner are serving as Ganashikaka and they have been regularized.
କଣ ବେନ୍ଦାଣି ଲାଗିଗଲା ଏଠି
No, my lord.
ନାଇଁ ବେନ୍ଦାଣି ନାଇଁ
transaction
नो बेनानी ये दे अच्छा अच्छा दे तो दे you why don't you consider his
My lord, tomorrow my two cases are put to-
କାଲି ଆସୁ ତାହେଲେ
Okay,
କାଲି ଆସ tomorrow
Mangalmaji.
two cases number ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେବା
କାଲି ଅଛି ମଙ୍ଗଳମାତିର କେସଟା ମୁଁ ତ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଆଣିନି but they committed to
tomorrow let it come tomorrow okay next
Item 18.
18
PLA matter, ma'am.
PLA
Hi.
yes कौन है चित्र
Dear my lord, owner, the vehicle was took copious accident during the policy period,
what is the vehicle
but that time the driver.
what is the vehicle
Vehicle was
truck
heavy push.
heavy
At the time of accident, the driver was not having the SGD endorsement. He was having LMB license.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
And
ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଭେହିକିଲ ଗୁଡାକରେ ସବୁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଗୁଡାକର ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ କଣ ପାଇଁ ନଥାଏ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଭେରି ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କଲି ଭେରିଫାଏ କରାଯିବ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
minor.
ପାଖାପାଖି 40-45% ଲୋକ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି କିମ୍ବା ଯଦି ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଲାଇସେନ୍ସଟା ରିନ୍ୟୁ କରିନଥିବେ ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଛି and interestingly my vehicle in Delhi was initially I engaged a driver for 2 years he just run the vehicle without any license I didn't check it then I started driving myself without engaging any driver so this is the problem everywhere in Delhi I mean there frequent checkings are very common still he could manage for 2 years he didn't have a vehicle license at all and he said I was working with him I was working with that man that this one unfortunately I knew them okay he is a very good driver please have it no problem if you keep him as a driver so these are the problems everywhere and that's is right but insurance company are not supposed to pay unless you have a you meet the requirement so they did not have let me issue notice Land Conservation petitioner submits that the
OP1, OP2,
the OP number 1
was the owner
was
of
the owner of the Ashok Leyland mini truck
minor.
which was insured with the petitioner and the policy was valid from 9/10/2018 to 8/10/2019
Yes.
on 9/1/2019 the mini truck met with an accident on NH 57 and the FIR was lodged in the nearby police station. The surveyor, the petitioner company deputed a surveyor to assess the loss, but during the verification of the relevant documents, it was found that the driver was not having a valid and effective driving license at the time of flying the said vehicle. Hence, they repudiated the claim.
Minor.
Hence, the petitioner repudiated the claim, saying that since on the ground that the petitioner didn't have, the driver of the petitioner didn't have the didn't have the valid license at the time of flying the vehicle. Then the opposite party approached the PLA, Barampur. And the learned PLA, what is the order passed?
Yes, order passed on the basis upon the Supreme Court judgment that is Mukundaram versus Oriental Insurance, that LMB holder also can drive the SUV.
But here LMB was there.
Yes, driver was having LMB license.
LMB.
Yeah.
Then to you are gone. Then they gale apna.
Recent decision was there. Recent decision was I mean 3 ways judgment. The tricky decision is there. मुझे download
ସେଥିରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛି?
সেটা ଅଛି যে কি LMB license holder only can drive LTV, not heavy gross vehicle.
Heavy not.
Yes,
That's why I was surprised.
Yes,
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ନା LMB ହେଲେ heavy କେମିତି LMB heavy ସମାନ କେମିତି?
yes.
ଆପଣ LMB କାର ଅଛି ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ସ୍କୁଟର ଚଲେଇ ପାରିବେ no problem.
500 କିଲୋ ତଳକୁ ଚଳେ
Yes.
6,500 kg on weight of the vehicle.
That is Mukundavan decision, which you
So ଆପଣ
relied upon the
ଏଇଟା
case,
ଆସିଛି ତାହେଲେ.
which PLA, another PLA was.
I will
relied
examine
upon.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
The opposite party approached the learned PLA and the learned PLA, after hearing both the parties, allowed the appeal in part, allowed the application in part and passed order against the present petitioner to pay a sum of rupees 16,70,909 with interest at the rate 6% per annum to the petitioner. Page 30, that's the last paragraph. You can just quote that. Issue notice in such view of the matter. Let notice be issued to the opposite party number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. A 2 and 3 kid.
2 and 3, that vehicle was hypothecated to bank industry.
Oh, okay, okay. Orissa diesel engineer kono?
That is Ashok Leland, the truck belongs.
Okay, dealer.
Mine.
Yara kisi role achi?
Oh, okay.
Kichi nahi.
And before PLA, they were.
Hypothecation, of course, they have this.
Before
Because
PLA, they were.
hypothecated to the bank, so
Yes.
they will have a say on this. Anyway, let notice go. So,
Within 3 days.
what's the matter on 20th December? Stay. The mint stay file question.
No, no, no.
You don't want stay.
No, 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 I have not filed. That is my mistake. They was there, but that is my mistake.
Okay.
The PLA is calling auntie.
This one nahi. Apar state file kar debe. Okay.
State अच्छी more mistake file करने रही जाएगी पता चल.
Jadi kichi hele mention.
My.
Okay, next.
Item 19.
May I please along?
Yes.
My lord, the present case is about funny compensation, my lord. In 2019, funny affected my home. In 2019, a group,
Funny case topic what is?
my lord, the very first order I have taken from your lordship by showing that similar everybody is taking.
Now you are milking
I have only taken only one order.
you are milking the cow now. Okay.
My lord, in
That's-
2019,
That's good.
2019, a group of inquiries has been done, headed by the Tahsildar, consisting of additional Tahsildar and revenue inspector.
What is the issue here?
In 2019, my name has been enlisted, and I have got 10,000, and 85,100 is pending. And in 2021,
Apana case is samudra 85,100 pending.
my lord, in 2021, they conduct another inquiry and they apply a choose and pick method. And at that time, my name has been.
I'm say that order this in the order pass kar.
Much obliged.
Yeah, cleaner the Kota house, what that happened.
କେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସର୍ଭେ
After 2 years, similar, my
2 years
lord,
ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର କରିବେ
much obliged.
ଦିଅ ପଇସା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପଇସା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପଇସା ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁ ନିୟମ କାନୁନ ବାହାର କରୁଛୁ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର ତ ବଡ ଇଏ କରିଦେବ ଭୋଟ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ we declare that every person will get kacha house to will be converted to paka house ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ନାହିଁ ଏଟା ହେଲା ସେଟା ହେଲା ଦିଅ ସେମିତି ଅର୍ଡର କରିବ ଆଉ ଆଣ ବନ୍ଦ ଯେମିତି ଆଉଛି ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦବା go and collect net pakawa macho oh net pakawa next
Item 20.
20
My lord,
20
my lord, I pray for a shorter adjournment.
Thank
File has been misplaced.
Huh?
File has been misplaced. I'll be mislocated.
ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଆପଣ ଦଉଛୁ ଫାଇଲ
All right. All right.
ମିସପ୍ଲେସ୍ ପାଇଁ କୋଉ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ୟୁଜ ନାହିଁ
All right.
ଫାଇଲ ଦିଅ ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ
All right. Just pass over.
ହଁ ପାସ୍ ହବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ କରିଦିଅ after 2 o'clock ହେଲା
Item
ଆପଣ
20.
ଯାଇକି ପଢନ୍ତୁ after 2 o'clock ଆସିବେ ଫାଇଲ ନେଇକି ପଳେଇବେନି ଲେକିନ କୋର୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ
Item 24.
NPW will be issued against you if you go next
May I please, your lords. My lord, item 24, under the petitioner is the auction purchaser. In the year
24?
auction purchaser, my lords.
ARS ସାଇଜ ଲାଗିନି ଏଇଟା
ସେଇ ତିନିଟା ସେଇ judgment ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ଓ ସେଇଟା
ହଁ, ହଁ, 21, 22, 23.
ଓ yes କଣ କହିଲେ
May I please, your lords. My lord, petitioner is the auction purchaser, my lords. Pursuant to the e-auction notice, he
Hmm.
participated, he deposited the UMD and he became the
Sir,
successful.
e-auction notice ରେ ତ surface notice ଆଇଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟର କି କାମ?
ଏଇଟା single bench ରେ ଆସିବ my lords because
ନା ନା ନା।
କାହିଁକି ନା
ଆପଣ
in this case my
proceeding start ହେଇଗଲା ମାନେ single
No, no.
bench ର ହାତ ଉଠିଲା।
no I
No,
beg
no, କେମିତି କିରେ? ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପରେ ଆପଣ no no କହିଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ନା।
ନାଇଁ ଖାଲି ଟିକେ submit
ମୋ
କରୁଛି
କଥା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା କୁହ।
Once the surface proceeding start, the single bench raises its hand. Go to DV. দুইটা কোর্ট ছাড়িବି। ନା ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟ ଛାଡିବି। ଗୋଟେ
ଖାଲି short submission if you lordship
short long କଣ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ପରେ ଏଠି
only innocuous prayer is that my lord
ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି।
ଏଥିରେ possession ଟା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଯାଇ କହିବେ ଏ କଥା।
option purchaser
ଅକ୍ସନ ପରଚେଜର ଯେ ଅକ୍ସନ ପରଚେଜର
ତ ଆମର କିଛି demand notice କି ଆମେ କିଛି securitization ର notice କୁ challenge କରୁନୁ
ଓ ଆପଣ ମାନେ
ଆମେ
position
we
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
no I am the successful auction purchaser I was the highest
ସେଟା ସେଠି ଯିବେ ନା ଅକ୍ସନ ପରଚେଜର ଗଲା
କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଥିରେ
ଆଉ ଦିନ ଦୁଇ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସିଲା ମୁଁ ସିଆଡେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି।
they have stated that they have already initiated
Since the matter pertaining to post surface proceedings, the matter may be placed before the SCJ. The SCJ for assigning the matter before the appropriate bench. I don't have power. Why should I go there?
your lordship is correct but no demand notice or no sale auction
No,
sale
no,
notice is challenged
Sir, we should not cross the Lakshman Rekha.
other banking matters
ତେଣୁ ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣ ଡିବି କରିছে ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ କରିବି ବୁଝିବା କଥା ନା। I have no power. Next.
Item 25.
25 non-appears.
My lord, this is the bank matter. If with the copy of this petition with
Petitioner ନାଇଁ sir copy କିଏ serve କରିବ?
अच्छा my lord.
ସେ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ହବାଇ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି।
My lord, because being in the standing council, my name may kindly indicated in the cause list.
Okay, Tunas Sahu appears for the opposite party present before the court. Whereas the opposite the petitioner non appears on behalf of the petitioner lists the matter on 6th December. No, 7th December. 7th December.
Oblige.
7.
Oblige.
Okay, next.
Item 27.
27.
In this case, last occasion, lordship directed to implement the OP number 7 as a party. OP number 7 has been made a party and I have saw a copy of the writ petition to the OP number 7.
Okay.
But their name has not been reflected in the cause list. For that reason, probably he is not there. The matter,
Name, whose name? Name?
Mr. S.S. Rao, senior advocate, your lordship.
Senior advocate ना केंद्र रिफ्लेक्ट करियो।
ସେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର
Senior advocate ना रिफ्लेक्ट करियो नहीं।
ସେ he is the retainer of the
सर रिटर्नर होंतु जहाँ होंतु।
ସେ
Senior advocate ना even senior advocate में रिटर्नर भी ही परिविनी। बुझले?
time ନେଇଥିଲେ some that is order in order
रिटर्नर फी नहीं आंधी रिटर्नर ही परंदे रिटर्नर फी नहीं परिवी।
last order
अब सीनियर एडवोकेट जिन्हें डिफरेंस जानना थी
yes,
कि
your honor.
आई समझ जाने सीनियर एडवोकेट कौन ताकू ब्रीफ दिया जाए
interest win.
दे फिर और सही
His junior's
name
name
somebody.
is reflected in the order sheet also.
हाँ तो इतने रिफ्लेक्ट कर दो ना कौन तो ना कौन
ତାମାନେ half ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ
In this case, I got instruction.
that is your lordship.
What is the instruction?
SC hub. That only point is that open school certificate whether equivalent to
हाँ I know
that is there. So
ये आसुनांती कौन पई
ସେ ନାଁଟା ତାଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ
आसुनांती कौन पई
ନା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବି ସେମିତି ଦିଆ
ସେ ଏଇ ମୋର ସିମିଲାରଲି ଦିଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି ଦିଟାକ ମ୍ୟାଟର ରେ
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ନଥିଲା
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ଇଏରେ ନାହିଁ କଜ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଆସୁନି ଫର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ରିଜନ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି
ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇ ବିଏସସି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସବୁବେଳେ କେସି ଆଡଭୋକେଟ କେତେବେଳେ ମିଳନ୍ତିନି
SE ହକ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟରଙ୍କ ନାଁ SE ହକ୍
ऐसी हक लगी there लड़का को the opposite party OP number 7
OP number 7
who has been newly implemented as a party learn Mr. AC Haq HAQ
हाँ
Haq HAQUE QUE has been served copy,
Yes.
served with a copy of the writ petition. Our non-appears due to the non-reflection of his name in the cause list. Accordingly, the registry is directed to reflect his name in the cause list on behalf of the OP number 7. This is the matter on 30th laguch, 30th.
That is the instruction we received.
ଓ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି instruction ମାନେ mass education.
The CDPO has sought for clarification from Board of Secondary Education.
But the open school वाले की चलौची
Itself को मना करছে equivalence नहीं करছে.
सर्टिफिकेट कोड देखले मते ठीक
Annex 10 टा जो टिके देखबे read
नहीं,
petition annex 10 टा
annex 10.
10 टा. This year in 2022 also the Board of Secondary has conducted the
सर
exam.
ठीक है सर्टिफिकेट देखा
My certificate is your lordship kindly have a glance.
पेज
That is annexure 1 your lord.
annex 1
Annexure 1 page 10 your lord.
ओडिशा मुक्त शिक्षा संस्थान
Odisha State Open Schooling Cuttack.
ना एटी तो अलगा संस्था सर एटा सरकारी संस्था
Control of examination Odisha State.
अरे
Yes, your-
कंट्रोलर एग्जाम समस्त प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी रहइबो गवर्नमेंट भी रहइबो समस्त रहइबो मु
This is
पचार जे
board
एटा
of-
सरकारी संस्था की
Yes, your lordship. That is page 11 also their certificate your lordship.
तो एटा बीएससी केंदी आसीबो ताले
We see your lordship kindly have a glance to
वो
annex.
बीएससी इशू करछि सर्टिफिकेट
No, annex
Then
10 kindly
the
have
why
a
and then BSc will come.
annex 10 kindly have a glance. Page 26.
Here the board of secretary.
Yes, open
State
school.
open school certificate exam. आपनकर ना कଣ एटा स्टेट ओपन स्कूल
Yes, board state open. Odisha
रुहନ୍ତୁ
State
रुहନ୍ତୁ
open
रुहନ୍ତୁ
school.
ओडिशा स्टेट ओपन स्कूल सर आपण ताले ए स्कूल खुली छथि कोन पैसा जदि रिकॉग्निशन नाही सर्टिफिकेट लोक आपण रिकॉग्नाइज करिवेन ताले स्कूल रे माने कोन एटा गवर्नमेंट खुली छ ना प्राइवेट संस्था आपण एटा पता करंतु लर्न काउंसिल विथ द स्टेट टू फाइंड आउट whether the Odisha state open schooling
This is the letter
Katak
of BSc, so let BSc answer. This is the letter of BSc, Board of Secondary Education.
कौन लगे
Let them appear. They will answer.
बड़ा
This
कंफ्यूज
letter, annex 10.
लगा बीएससी कंट्रोलर एग्जाम को डाका म एते कथा लगा नॉन एपीएस पता बीएससी को लगा लेट द कंट्रोलर नहीं के
Secretary.
सेक्रेटरी बीएससी
Odisha Katak.
Odisha Katak be present before this court through virtual mode on 30th ras dita bale hala we will explain this
Okay.
council मान को भरोसा करी लाभ नहीं कि जब खोजले से देखा जानती व्हाट इज दिस को मैटर हला बीएससी काउंसिल गायब यदि मैटर लागु छी आसीबेनी तर कोन आसु से सेक्रेटरी को डाकी छ बोले नेक्स्ट
Item 28.
28
I will please your lordship. The petition is the NGO, madam. It has challenged selection of NGO as facilitating agency to offer the purpose of millet mission program in the district of Both, madam. I have challenged the process of selection, madam. Earlier, the selection was also under challenge, and in that case, notice was issued, interim order was
here what is the
passed.
problem what is the problem here
Interim order was passed. But that is also pending, that has also come along with this writ application, my lord.
you want that to come together
My lord, yes, my lord, last occasion I made a request that has come, that is there along with this writ petition. my
now
lord.
what is the problem
Here, my lord, during subsistence of the writ application that is pending, by issuing another advertisement,
yeah
they have selected the same set of NGOs, those who were selected in the previous writ application, my lord, previous selection process, my lord.
no I'm saying so you applied right
I applied for selection
selection
in the year 2022.
huh
They shortlisted my candidature.
okay
Thereafter, all of a sudden, they selected a third NGO which was not being shortlisted
list.
in the process of selection, my lord.
both district na
Yes, my lord.
I think I called the
Yes.
collector
Yes, your lordship called the collector.
Collector has filed
Collector
affidavit
appeared
with
in
this,
person.
secretary.
what did you say a person has not applied
Yes, I'm.
he's an outsider
madam.
suddenly you took up into the zone
Yes,
of consideration
we have
and a person was applied he was out of the list
Yes.
not done
there are some irregularities.
There are some
I am
irregularities,
quite,
definitely.
Therefore, the work was not given to that selected person, and the government has cancelled everything.
So you are doing some
Yes,
separate.
and we float a fresh advertisement. Petitioner participated in the fresh advertisement.
Oh.
Now he is not selected, and he filed this new application. So second application is
If you have
completely.
participated and if you have any ground, then you can say
Well,
that ground.
I participate.
But that you are talking about the past thing. Past thing means he's saying that he already he has that has been cancelled.
My lord, that
Now you have challenged the what?
they have not cancelled, my lord.
They have cancelled that saying.
Simply by
Show
saying,
me the.
simply by saying that
Sir, let them show
Counter
some.
affidavit filed an opinion in second application.
Counter affidavit.
Second application.
Oh, just second.
that I have also annexed to the writ petition. my lord.
Yes. ଆପଣ କଣ ମିଲେଟ ଆଣିକି ଯୋଗାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମିଲେଟ
କଣ କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଆମେ ଏନଜିଓ ଆମେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ କରୁ କେମିତି ମିଲେଟ
କଣ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ କରନ୍ତି
ମିଲେଟ କେମିତି ଚାଷ ହବ ଯୋଉ ସରକାର ଯୋଉ ଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଚାଷ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ କହିବେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶିଖେଇବୁ ଏବଂ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍କିମ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ କରିବା କଥା
ମିଲେଟରେ କଣ ଥାଏ ଟିକେ କହିଲେ ମତେ ଆପଣ ମିଲେଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ?
ମିଲେଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ
ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କିଛି କହିବେନି
ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଅଛି
ଆଉ
ଗୁଡାଏ
କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ ପର୍ସନାଲ ନଲେଜ
ଆଉ ମିଲେଟରେ ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରିବେ ମିଲେଟ କଣ ଜାଣିବେନି ଏମିତି କେମିତି
ମିଲେଟ
ଆଉ କଣ ମିଲେଟ
ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ଜ ଏସବୁ ତ ତା ଦେହରେ ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ କେତେ ଗୁଡେ
ଲଜିଟା ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ ମିଲେଟ କହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ମିଲେଟରେ ସବୁ ଆଇଟମ
ବାଜରା ବି ଅଛି
ଆଉ
ମିଲେଟରେ
ଆଉ
ଆସୁଛି
ଆଉ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଶୁଆ ଚାଉଳ ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁଛି ସେଟା ବି ମିଲେଟରେ ଆସୁଛି
ଆଉ
ପର୍ସନାଲ ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ ଏତେ ଆଉ
ମିଲେଟ କଣ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିବେ ଆପଣ ମିଲେଟ ନଲେଜ ନେଇକି ଦେଖିବେ ମିଲେଟ ମିଶନ UN has recommended this year to be year of millet
yes
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମିଲେଟ ନ ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରିବେ ମିଲେଟ ଜାଣିବେ yes କପି କୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କହିଲେ
Paragraph 9.
ଏଥିରେ କଣ paragraph 9 ରେ nothing and no comment to offer ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ comment no comment to offer means no comment that is it's tantamount to no comment you have nothing to say
Just-
paragraph 8 yes
As per instruction of Director Agriculture and Food Production, Orissa Limited, I let know so and so. The 3 blocks of both districts have been included in special program for so and so. For the purpose of go ahead of obligation, advertisement written for floating of so and so. And next receipt. That in reply to part 2.
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଲୋକଟା କମେ କାଟିଲେ ଆପଣ କହନ୍ତୁ why has been disengaged I mean not considered sorry why this person was not considered that's all answer to who grounded kattli
Initially 12 persons were applied for the.
that's fine he was also one of
Yes.
them
After
he was one of them
yes, after scrutiny, it was found that 7 or 8 persons were
eligible
elected. So
Eligible.
the collector took a decision in a proceeding saying that as because number of competitors was very less, so they included all, and subsequent proceeding was that illegal or irregular. You may say irregular.
which you
I
cannot
also discussed with the collector in this matter, and subsequently that 22, 23 crore will be over. And as per instruction of the government, therefore phase tender. Now he participated in phase tender, and he could not able to succeed as because due to getting less marks. Now he approved this on everything.
the question is why he was I mean not selected
Due to the securing of less mark,
no what on what
less
ground
points.
on what ground
They have taken number of
what is the
Because-
procedure for selection
procedure.
procedure I have annexed my lord
why is that
that is annexure 2 to the writ application the present writ application my lord your lordship may turn to page 10 mandatory criteria of the NGO to be selected as FA are mentioned below
correct
first should be legally registered, provided a self-attested copy of registration, PAN number, and self-attested copy of PAN card. Second, should not be blacklisted by Government of India, Government of Odisha.
So
or the
you don't fall under this, right? You don't fall under this. Do
Yes, my lord.
you fall? No.
No, my lord.
Then
No, my lord.
Third,
Should have a minimum 3 years of work.
that you have,
That I am having.
okay. Then
This fourth one is also important, on which I would like to
commit to
trace my
implement a
lord.
minimum
Should
of 1,000
commit to
hectare under
implement a
improved
minimum of 1,000
agronomic
hectares
practices over the period of 5
under
years.
improved agronomics practices over a period of 5 years in the proposed block.
Hmm.
So my appointment was supposed to be for a period of 5 years. Now they have come up with an argument that it was for a period of 1 year.
What is the improved agronomic practice?
Well, that the proposed, that will be, government will instruct me how to do the activities, and accordingly I will make the activities in the respective blocks, my lord.
Okay, tapare?
And the area to be covered under improved agronomic practice should not be in the land under forest department or any government department.
Naturally.
It is not.
Then
Should be willing to complete pre-project work such as selection of village farmers before the signing of the MO. Cost of the pre-project activities will not be reimbursed. Deadline shall be chosen by CDO ATMA in consultation with the selected.
tapare next,
Should have experience of working with community-based organizations.
you have that
Which
experience?
I am having all
How
this.
many years?
I am there since 2003, my lord. I am registered organization.
This
Should-
kind of work you have been doing.
All kind of works, my lord.
Then next,
third
come to
was
next. Should
should
submit 3 years
submit last
audited
3 years.
balance
That I have submitted, my lord.
submitted. Chief
Uh,
functionary of the institution should
Should
not be
not be formal member of any political,
party.
not a member of
Okay,
any
next.
political. Should not have more than 1/3 of the governing body member related to each other. Must have worked with any of the government programs
Okay,
in
next,
agriculture.
next.
NGO with experience of working on organic agriculture, so millets will be preferred. And NGO implementing projects on BT cotton and such and such. Eucalyptus plantation in the proposed blocks will not be preferred. If this
Yeah.
comes to notice, I am fulfilling all the criteria, my lord.
So if everything has been fulfilled, then what is the reason for? Is
Your lordship, turn to page 13. That is relating to process of selection. Process of selection. Lordship got it.
no, I'm not on that. I'm asking him, what is the reason for no?
Here, my lord,
Reason
the
for his ouster, sir.
Right.
What is the reason? Is it the reason to दर्शेबे? आपण तो consider न करें कौन टा कौन तो कौन पे कर लेंगे?
After calling all the participants,
That is fine, but what is his why he has secured less mark? On what count he has secured less mark?
rather I should have been given preference because I belong
Want
to
to
this.
see our answer jantu na?
and one for that.
Okay, let him go.
Aye.
Okay, pass away.
29.
ଏଟା ଲୋକ ବାହାରୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଥିରେ ଏଥିରେ କାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ local ଲୋକ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଦେଇଛୁ।
ମିଳୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏନଜିଓ ମାନେ କାମ କରିବାର ଭେରି ଲିମିଟେଡ। ଯିଏ ଆସିଲା ତାକୁ ତ ଦେଇଦବା ଦେବି କାହିଁ ଏତେ ତାକୁ କାଟ ତାକୁ ରଖ ମାଲ ଫାଲ ଦେଇନଥିବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଆ ହେଇଛି।
Okay, next.
29.
29.
My lord, matter relating to failure of takeover of loan, my lord. On the last occasion, opposite party 1 and 2 has taken time for filing a counter.
ଏଟା କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟେ ଏତେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଆପଣ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ? ଇସ୍ୟୁ ତ ଛୁଟିଆ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟେ ଏମିତି ସରିଯିବ। କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ? ଇସ୍ୟୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Earlier, I have a loan with the Bank of Baroda.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ୍ ବରୋଦାରେ କେତେ ଲୋନ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ? କଣ ପାଇଁ ନେଇଥିଲେ?
6 crore 75 lakhs.
6 crore
75 lakhs
70 for what?
for running my industry of manufacturing plastic,
6 crore 75 lakh.
my lord.
Okay. For plastic. कौन
No. Plastic buckets there पे नहीं थी. That I have, my lord.
तो चलेली ना बंद कर दी।
आगे चाली थी जेतु एक्स्ट्रा प्रिंसिपल दरकार हैला
चालची।
मते आगे existing bank failed to enhance the loan amount.
आपण लोन पूरा पाइले।
6 crore 75 lakhs मोर
पाइले।
existing loan अछि in
पाइले।
Bank of Baroda आगे
मिला।
आगे अछि Bank of Baroda रे
आपण नेले लोन पाइले तो
आज्ञा।
ठीक है?
आगे
अच्छा, तापर असुविधा कौन?
सेटा मु
कोन असुविधा?
एनहांस करिया को चाहिली से बैंक देई परलानी मु HDFC बैंक को अप्रोच कली
ओके।
से मते 8 crore
तो आपण माने आपण ये 6 लाख आपण पाइले परा
এটা ব্যাংক অফ বরোদা রে সেই
बैंक वर्दा 6 लाख देला
পাইলা
तापर एचडीएफसी गले आपण
যেহেতু সেইটা ମୋର ଅଧିକା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଦରକାର ହେଲା ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ବରୋଦା ଦବା ପାଇଁ ରିଫ୍ୟୁଜ କଲା ମୁଁ ଏଚଡିଏଫସି କି ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲି ସିଏ ମତେ 8 crore
पोर्टिंग भी हेला लोन पोर्टिंग भी हेला
ना।
एक ट्रांसफर करे
टेक ओवर ପାଇଁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲି ସେ ଆଗ୍ରି ହେଲେ ଏଚଡିଏଫସି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆଗ୍ରି ହେଲେ
माने एग्री हेले
ନା ସେମାନେ ଦେଲା ପରେ ଏମାନେ ଆଗ୍ରି ହବା କଥା ମୁଁ ମୋର ଯାହା ସାଇନ କରିବା କଥା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର
प्रॉब्लम
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ताले कोन
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ଏଚଡିଏଫସି ରେ ମତେ ଯାହା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସାଇନ କରିବାର କଥା ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସାଇନ କଲି
प्रॉब्लम कोन
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଏମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 8 crore 76 ଲାख ସାଂକ୍ସନ କଲା ପରେ
कि एचडीएफसी
ଏଚଡିଏଫସି 6 crore 75 lakh 63,000 ର ଗୋଟେ ପେ ଅର୍ଡର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ବରୋଦା କୁ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ବରୋଦା କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ରିସିଭ କରି ନାହିଁ
कि पेड देला एचडीएफसी
ଏଚଡିଏଫସି ଦେଲା
माने से लोन टाको रिफंड कर देले
ଟେକ୍ ଓଭର
लोन नेला पर
ଟେକ୍ ଓଭର ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ୟୁଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ପେ ଅର୍ଡର
दे
ଦେଲେ
देले
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ରିସିଭ କରିନାହୁଁ
एते ऑर्डर पे ऑर्डर पे रिसीव कर न कर पाई नथिबे डेफिनेट एटा तो एंदी 5-6 टका नय जे अब धोती रे गंठला वाले गली गला देखिंदी नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା
6 करोड़ टका तो एंदी गली जिबे
But may I explain? But may I explain? Kindly see the prayer portion. Yes, they want only the compensation from the HDFC Bank. They don't have any claim against the Bank of Baroda. They
Yes.
don't have any claim against Bank of Baroda.
हां
But because the HDFC has failed to provide them, and that is why they wanted some compensation from bank HDFC, and some process fee they had paid that they wanted to take it back now.
prayer is for what
Prayer is
the for the failure HDFC should be held liable and I am not liable to pay any failed takeover charge. That's why I have said that
that
they should
takeover
be
charge
liable.
they want.
so your prayer is you don't want to pay the process fee right
Process fee and failed takeover charge. They are claiming 1% towards failed takeover charge. That is as per contract, my lord.
1% माने केते हबो 6 लाख
8 lakhs somewhat, my lord.
8 crores
8 lakh 75,000.
so 8 lakh plus this amount processing fee आपन कर रहला
That
4
has been
lakh
deposited for
So you want
4
that
lakh 60.
back?
Yes, my lord.
okay notice जाइछि
Again, they have already appeared and taken time for filing a counter.
सर ये कोन केस एते फाइल फेटल करछन वर्ष घंटा घंटा बुझिले 2 मिनिट सरीबो खेल काउंटर रिजेंडर सर रिजेंडर करके ताको मास मास गडी दिना शॉर्ट डेट रे गुटे लास्ट डेट रे मैटर एंड हो
counter is ready.
रेडी कर देला कोन हम आपण घर भीतर देला लाभ कोन पोथीगत विद्या पोथी रे विद्या थिला लाभ कोन एटी रे लेखना लाभ आपण रेडी कर देबे आज घर बसी दिबे कोन किछि नाही अननेसेसरी टाइम वेस्ट
And we have also annexed the demand drafts which have been made against.
okay you file a reply land council with the HDFC bank
Yes,
HDFC bank what is your name
Tarini Prasad Patil, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Rajesh Patil.
6 time for filing the counter within 3 days list the matter on 29 हला 29 के बाद खत्म कर दाव सीधे आप रीजनर पर यहाँ पर टाइम मांगी नहीं हला रीजनर पर यहाँ पर टाइम मांगी नहीं सर
My lord.
रीजनर पर टाइम मांगी भी नहीं आओ हाँ इतने खत्म है बार बार honest
Kindly taken up on 28th, my lord.
28
Well.
ମୁଁ କେବେ କହିଲି କି
29th.
ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କଣ
ସେ
ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଛି
ହଉ 28 ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item
Oh,
30.
my lord.
30
Please, my lord, here in the other day, my lord also directed the state council.
Sometime.
My lord, what happened? My lord, here the
he wants some time sir फायदा नहीं आपण कहले भी
Sir, sir.
खाली वेस्ट हो
because I belong to SCBC category, the two posts are still vacant. So I may be.
let him take instruction
All
learn comes with the state to take instruction list the matter on 6th
Aye.
6 बोध गला नहीं तब 7 को 7 next
31.
May I please, Lord. My lord, petitioner is a candidate for Anganwadi helper, my lord, is challenging the appointment of OP4, who has secured less marks. But my lord, the present petitioner's appointment has been cancelled only because he could not be there on the document verification date.
Obviously,
But prior to that, my lord,
obviously.
but prior to that, he had represented, his father has represented that due to the health elements of the present petitioner, he will be providing the documents.
No, verification
My lord,
ରହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ.
My lord, mere technicalities cannot
Sir,
differentiate.
mere it is not technicality, sir. There is a intention behind that such introducing such technicality.
My lord,
Try to understand, when the state has introduced some technicalities, it has a meaning. It has some intention. And you people will say, no, I was not given the opportunity during the verification. That's why they have introduced that.
my lord, I completely bow down to that. But the thing
You
is,
bow down, then bow it down and go here. Come here.
24 8
It's
23
your
ସେମାନେ
night.
select list କାଢିଲେ
ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ?
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ represent କଲି
There is a saying in Odia, ଶୋଇଲା ପୁଅର ଭାଗ ନାହିଁ।
my lord, the
ଯିଏ
father of the
ଶୋଇଲା,
petitioner,
ଯୋଉ ଶୋୟା ଓ ଗୟା।
my lord, the father of the petitioner had approached them by saying that he will be providing the documents due to the health elements, my lord. My lord, medical certificate be annexed
କିଏ
କରିଛି।
କଣ କରିବ? ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ରହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ସେ ଶୁଣାଯିବନି।
My lord, the petitioner,
ସେ ପାଇଲା।
my lord, the petitioner was securing more mark. He was first
Maybe.
in the serial number 1 in the select list.
Maybe.
Well, just one opportunity of
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମତେ
simple.
ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଲେ, ଆପଣ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ମେଡିକାଲ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କାଉନସେଲିଂ ପାଇଁ, ଆପଣ କାଉନସେଲିଂ ନ ଗଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ ଯୋଉ ସେଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିବ ଦେଇଦେବେ।
Spot counseling.
ଯୋଉ ବଳିଲା ଯଦି ନହେଲେ ଗଲେ।
My lord, here
Here the same thing,
Choppies
same
had
logic
tasted-
applies, sir.
my lord, the father of the petitioner had approached. ସେମାନେ ସେଟାକୁ
Approaching is not sufficient, sir. You have to be present. If during the verification, if you have
he was there with all the documents, my lord. The father of the petitioner was there.
ଯାହା ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା, ଯଦି ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ତାହେଲେ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
No, sufficient thila. The father documents on that day, on very date, it was sufficient. But the thing is, the father was
ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ରେ ଚେକ୍ କରିବେନି ଅରିଜିନାଲ, ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଡୁପ୍ଲିକେଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଚେକ୍ କରିବେନି। ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ
see any date approach କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବି ତା father ଦବାକୁ ବି ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ. But the thing is, the petitioner was
ହବନି।
my lord, just a sympathetic
ହବନି।
consideration for a direction to consider.
କଣ
କି
ଅପିଲ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି?
appeal, my lord,
There is appeal provision.
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି help କରେ
ହଁ ଅପିଲ ଅଛି।
my lord, representation to ଦେଇଛି ସେଇଟା
Okay, land council petitioner seeks to withdraw the writ petition in order to explore the appellate, in order to explore the appellate remedy, hala, according to disposal.
by taking into this
What?
representations, my
ଆରେ
lord.
ସେଟା ସେଠି କହିବ ନା, ସେ କଥା ସେଠି କହିଲେ ହବନି।
ସେଟା ଖାଲି observe
ମୁଁ
କରିଦେଲେ
କାହିଁକି
it will
observe
be
କରିବି?
easier for
ଦରକାର
me.
ନାହିଁ, ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଅଧା କମେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
My lord, the water will flow to other side. My lord, may kindly consider that representation
Water
ଦେଇଥିଲା।
may flow, put a check dam. Matter যাব। ସେଠି କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେ? ଆପଣ simply withdraw କଲେ ଗଲେ, ଏତେ କଥା ମୁଁ
ସେ
କାଇଁ?
observation ଟା ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି।
ନାହିଁ, କାଇଁ objection? ସେଠି ସେ କଥା କହିପାରିବେ ନା। When you are approaching to the appellate body,
Yes, ma'am.
you can say that, okay, this is the problem. You can say the same thing there. Why should I write all these things?
Grateful, my lord.
Next,
Item 32.
32.
May please.
Two, I'm in BC Melod from UP Bank.
Yes, here for
UP Bank Melod. Person to
ଏମିତି ଦୋଳିଆ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ କାମ କରୁନି। ହଁ, okay. He is the bank.
My lord, he is appearing for the bank.
No.
So I don't know. Just,
No,
I have told you to just explore the possibilities of just settlement, sir.
Already 9/11 ଗୋଟେ communication already made by
କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାରେ କଥା କହିଲେ କାହିଁ ଏତେ କଥା?
they let them there instructed that the contractual amount 9.89. Please contact with the branch for further clarification matter.
ଆପଣ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା on the bank କୁ
That
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। Let's see that.
My lord, it was pursuant to your lordship's direction dated 1810, my lord. There was a discussion, my lord, on 28th.
So what is the
On
positive or
28th,
negative?
my lord, I made a proposal, my lord. My lord, the application for OTS was 4 crores, my lord. When your lordship was directed. So, my lord, on that day, discussion was made, my lord. The bank authorities wanted, my lord, I should meet the outstanding amount, my lord, outstanding book amount, my lord. So I made an offer again, my lord, 4.16 lakhs, my lord, which they have communicated, because here is the, my lord, here is a office, my lord, where they have always, my lord, from the date of sanction of the OTS since 2019, my lord, onwards, they have taken a decision, my lord. The OTS they have sanctioned. We
No,
deposited.
sir. For bigger amount OTS, they have to send. to
Yes, my
higher-
lord. My
higher-
lord, they are sanctioning the
higher-
OTS, my lord. All through, my lord, I have given all the documents in this rate application, my lord. All through, my lord, they have sanctioned the OTS, my lord.
So, but now I'm saying something afresh.
Yes, my lord. I don't have any problem, my lord. If your
Please
lordship
try
will
to-
fix a
please
date, my
try to
lord.
have, huh?
My lord, if your lordship will fix a date, my lord, on that day, I will ask my
Mr.
client to be
Mahanti,
present in the office, my lord.
which date will be suitable to your office, the office, or your officers? On that, let him
Petitioner
know
is in good contact with.
any working-
Petitioner is in good contact with office. Then next
Your
week
lordship, kindly
can be
fix a date. A particular date should be
I'm
fixed, my
fixing a
lord,
date,
so that it will be
my lord,
on that day, my lord, both the
23rd.
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 My lord.
And ask for the petitioner to approach the bank.
Melody, lordship, kindly make it 22, my lord. It's a
Okay, 22.
good- It's very good day.
Now comes with the petitioner to approach the bank on 22nd in the second half in the first half of the business on this one, around 3 p.m.
Right.
3 p.m. 3 p.m. to the branch, Kuda,
My lord, Bhubaneswar.
to the
Bhubaneswar main branch.
Bhubaneswar main branch. And approach the authority with a reasonable proposal for OTS. And if the authority finds it acceptable, they will take steps to.
My lord, I'm submitting, my lord. My lord, for that, my lord, for a moment, my lord, I am disturbing your lordship. my lord.
ଆଉ
Millet-
story ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ first ତାପରେ
ନାଇଁ,
story
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି।
ଆଉ କିଛି ପୁରୁଣା
Earlier-
କଣ ଥିଲା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ପୁରୁଣା କଥା ଗଲା
Millet-
ନୂଆ ନୂଆ
नहीं ठीक है लगे Noah Millet, what happened, Millet? Out of 4 crores 35 lakhs, Millet, the settle amount, Millet. The petitioner has
ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ର ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ଜାର୍ଗନ ରେ ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି 4 crore ହଉ ଆଉ 8 crore ହଉ 9 crore ମୋତେ ଲେନା ଦେନା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଯେତେ crore ସେମାନେ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ସେଟଲ ହେଇପାରିବ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଦିଆ ନିଆ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କେତେ
then
ଦେଲେ
Millet,
କେତେ ଦେଲେ ଏଥିରେ ମୋର କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ।
then Millet, your lordship, Millet, simply direct Millet on that day, Millet, on 22nd, my client will be present in the office at 3 p.m. Millet. Let them have a discussion, Millet, over that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. On the petition to release the matter ତାପରେ ଲଗେଇଦେବା 12 ଡିସେମ୍ବର ହେଲା
Board late ହେଇଯିବ because on 15 Millet, your lordship, on 22nd Millet, and your lordship can put this matter on 28th Millet.
The discussion for if there is then matter will process to the central office for their.
At least you should apprise this honorable court what is the outcome of the discussion.
28 ରେ ଲାଗିଥିବ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି କିଛି ସେପଟେ କ୍ଲାରିଟି ନଥିବ then we can give another
Yes.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଠିକ
Obliged.
next matter
33.
Please, your lordship.
33
At the last occasion, honorable court listed the matter today to go through the CCTV footage and ascertain the arbitrary detention log.
हमारा सीसीटीवी मेरा गुम हो गया भाई क्या करें सीसीटीवी फुटेज से जो ଦେଇଥିଲି ଏଟା ମୁଁ ପାଉନି ସେଟା କୋଉଠି
Lordship,
ବ୍ୟାଗ ବ୍ୟାଗ ତଳେ yes actually I am not getting I'm ପୁରା ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛି
ଦେଖୁନ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଯଦି ନଥିବ କହିଲେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଆଉଟ ନେଇ ଆସିବି
ବ୍ୟାଗ ରେ ମୁଁ ଅଫିସ ପଡିଲା
Item 34.
34 lordship, in fact, we have received the counter. Let's come next to lordship, go through the counter. On 14/11, they have shot on copy.
what is the matter
In fact, lordship, your lordship is in first person
the
of the
non payment of salary
your lordship, personal lordship direction, they have released their salary till
they
last,
released
till last month. They have lordship. They have
then what remains
no lordship. The main prayer is remains lordship because they I want to be regularized lordship. It can be lordship. I will take only 10 minutes. I'll go through their counter. They filed a
okay consider petition 6 one week time to file the agenda this matter 7th December
grateful lordship.
next
35.
35
please, your lordship. May I please, your lordship. मतलब last occasion man direct to instant to the London government council as to why official document for COVID-19 death has not been issued to the petitioner.
yes
in this case I have received telephonic instruction from the corrector my lord but my lord she has the this is died at BMC Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation area my lord there was a notification floated by the government of Orissa that in case of any death due to COVID-19 there must be a committee between the BMC commissioner and the concerned collector, my lord. So we have written letter to the BMC, but they are not didn't return up, my lord. My only submission is, my lord, your lordship been disposed of with a direction to the collector to conduct a committee to make a committee and dispose of the matter within a period of 1 month. So that
Right.
we will, or your lordship may allow me 15 days time. In the meantime, we will
15 days time allow करछि से खत्म करियो ऑर्डर कर देले पर गला जायछि पुनी आ वर्ष
ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ
ତାପରେ-
BMC କି ନାଇଁ BMC କି ବି ସେ ପାର୍ଟି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ so that
हम जा देले हर से हबो
ତାହେଲେ BMC की से पार्टी କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ BMC की पार्टी କରିଦେଲେ BMC
आपण बीएमसी को पार्टी कर दे
discussion ନେଇ ଆସୁ
मिस्टर
Yes.
नायक
Yes,
you
my
make
lord.
BMC as a party
Overline.
and consider the petitioner is directed to impede the BMC as a party respondent.
also that necessary direction may be issued to BMC for redressal of the grievance.
आगो पार्टी करंतु ताबरे नोटिस छप ताबरे पार्टी and file a consulted writ petition within 3 days from today.
Overline.
Okay, we'll list the matter on 28 asu. Next
मतलब 29 मतलब 29 और 28 था
28 तो जल्दी जल्दी सारले आरो आपण आको आगो
सर
बढ़ो.
सर सर सॉरी सर सॉरी
Next
36.
36
My lord, on the behalf of Tapas Kumar Acharya, adjourn this matter.
कौन मैटर केते किलो
Because
केते किलो
1 kg brown sugar man.
ब्राउन शुगर बिल्कुल जा अर्जुन को जब 20 दिसंबर आव खुद का नेक्स्ट
37.
37
Here, my lord, 302 offense, my lord, on the basis of the last in theory, present petition implicated, my lord.
so what is your role there
Role, my lord, last in theory, my lord. Circuit
role is that कौन हैला
last in the रातिरे ताकू राति 11 रे देखले ए डिसीज सहित ए पिटिशनर थिला.
के डिसीज के केंदी हैला ठीक कहबे स्टोरी
Here, my lord, last in theory witness is
लास्ट
आनंद
थ्योरी छाड़ी के एंड स्टोरी ठीक
मु खाली
कौन
गोटे टाइम
हैला
मु गोटे टाइम मागुची काहे कि
नहीं नहीं कहबे कौन टाइम मांगी एटा तो
टाइम तो अच्छी गोटे अच्छी 10टा विटनेस ऑलरेडी एग्जामिनेशन आउट ऑफ 24 मैला आनंद मेहर एग्जामिनेशन
अरे
पाई
6 मास में छाड़ दे
नहीं गोटे मिनिट मु खाली गोटे मिनिट
ओके
आनंद मेहर अछि 2 तारिख एग्जामिनेशन पाई अछि मु 4 वर्ष रहिलेनी आनंद 2 तारिख पर
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग जदि आपण के रोल ना एबे छाड़ देबी व्हाई डोंट यू
आनंद मेहटा मेन साखी रही छी से कहबे से मेन मेन
आपण का रोल कोन अछि
मु हेते लास्ट इन थ्योरी मते राति
ओ सेही गुटे लास्ट इन थ्योरी वार्ड
आउ किछि नै
बटी केंदी से थ्योरी टा केंदी आइला दी कोन बाय दैट टाइम सब आउ दी चैप्टर भी हे जितबो
ये कहि नाति 10टा रु पेपर दे
नटा हे जितबो पूरा भी
10टा विटनेस हले ऑलरेडी
एबे डिसेंबर आउछ टारगेट करथे से छाड़ दो
हेई पर 4 वर्ष लेन 4 इयर्स
इंडियन सिस्टम के कम दैट्स व्हाट वी आर स्टेइंग इन इंडिया ओके
38.
One more time to remove all the defects, my lord.
इफेक्ट्स
My lord.
केबे फाइल करथिले डा
Limitation is there, my lord.
केबे फाइल करथिले आपण
Last day.
ने एक केस टा केबे करथिले सीआरएल भी केबे फाइल करथिले ओके land constable petitioner 6 1 week time to remove the defects list the matter on 28
My lord.
next
39.
39 non appears 21st December 40
Item 40.
My lord, I pray let it come 28. I will file the trial court judgment. In fact, trial court judgment is filed in another CRLNC. I will get a fresh one and file. On
Land
28.
constable the petitioner Mr. Misra submits that he would file a trial court judgment and see 6 1 week time
Yes.
2 weeks
No, 1 week, my lord,
1
because
week time to file that said document. Is the matter on 4th December. 4th December. Next,
Item 41.
41.
Lordship, my claim is reported by the LIC Authority, Lordship. The case is, Lordship, which is into contract of 43 Lordship. Just 8 days after she died.
Con, Lordship. I couldn't understand what you say.
At the age of 40, this is intended to contact with the LIC, Lordship. On at the
Sir,
age
कौन
of
हैला टी कोन तू
40 वर्ष मु एंट्री गोटे पॉलिश करथिली लॉर्डशिप
So you had a policy.
My
when you
mother,
were
my
at-
mother is
when you are
introduced-
40,
After 8 days, my mother died, Lordship.
after
8 दिन ପରେ.
8 days of the policy.
My mother died.
Okay.
I am the claimant, Lordship.
So your mother's policy was there. So Pradhan Mantri policy.
No, LIC.
LIC Pradhan Mantri କଣ ଯୋଜନା ମାନ ଅଛି ନା ସେଥିରେ?
ତାର ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଟର୍ମ 75/20/20
What is the policy na?
ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଟର୍ମ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପାଟର୍ନ ଲର୍ଡସିପ 75/20/20 ଲେଖିଛି ରନି ପେଜ 16 ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଅଫ ମାଇ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଲର୍ଡସିପ।
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ LIC ପଲିସି କରିଥିଲେ କୋଉ ପଲିସିର କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ନା ଗୋଟେ
ନାଟା
ନାଇଁ ନର୍ମାଲ ପଲିସି ଲାଇଫ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଲିସି।
Some assured 50,000 lordship and installment is 3.
So what is the problem?
ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଲେ ଯେ ମୋ 26 ବର୍ଷର ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଛି କ୍ଲାଇମେଣ୍ଟ 26 ବର୍ଷ ମାକୁ 40 ବର୍ଷ ଇଟ୍ ନଟ୍ ପସିବଲ ତାଙ୍କୁ so under statement of age of the decision so
Understatement of the age.
Understatement of age of the decision
Understatement of the age of the disease.
lordship
So ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ମାକୁ 40 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା
ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ କେତେ?
lordship
ଆପଣ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ କେତେ ଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ଡିସିଜ ର ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ?
ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି lordship 17/5/1963 at running page 16 lordship
1963.
ହଁ 17/5/1963
ଆପଣ ପଲିସି କେବେ କଲେ?
policy lordship DO 17 DO 27/3/2003 lordship 3 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ପଲିସି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା?
27/3/2003 lordship
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ କେତେ ସେଥିରେ? ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ କେତେ ଲେଖିଲେ?
ମୋର ଏଜ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 40 ବର୍ଷ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି lordship 40 ବର୍ଷ
actually ତ ଆପଣ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି 63 ରୁ 2000 କେତେ ହେଲା ଏଜ କହିଲେ ଟିକେ?
approximately 40 years ହଉଛି
40 ବର୍ଷ ଅଛି।
40 ବର୍ଷ ଅଛି
2003 ପରେ ଗଲେ ଆପଣ।
ହଁ
Slightly
27/3/2003
ହଁ 2040 ବର୍ଷ ତ ହଉଛି ଠିକ ତ ହଉଛି। ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା? 40 ବର୍ଷ
ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପୁଅକୁ 26 ବର୍ଷ ହବନି ବା
ମାଙ୍କୁ 40 ବର୍ଷ
ମାକୁ
ହବ।
40 ବର୍ଷ ନା 14 ବର୍ଷରେ ବାହା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି
ସେ ହାଉ ଡଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବାହା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା? ଆଗ କାଳେ ତ 8 ବର୍ଷ ବି ବାହା ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲେ ଲୋକ।
ସେଟା ସେମାନେ ରିପୋର୍ଟେଡ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେଥିରେ କଣ ମିଳିବ? ବାହା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଇଜ ଇଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ? ସେ କେବେ ଯଦି ମିସଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦି ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦି ଏଜ କୁହାଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ମିସଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ 40 ଇୟର୍ସ ହଉଛି ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା? ବାହା 12 ହେଲା କି 14 ବର୍ଷର ବାହା ହେଲା ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ? ଆଉ କାଳେ ତ ପୁରା ଏମିତି 12 13 14 ବର୍ଷର ବାହା ହଉଥିଲେ।
ପ୍ରଥମ ହଉଥିଲେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ
which is the LIC notice ତ? या for LIC sir କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ LIC ବାଲେ ଚଷମା ଫସମା ଆଜିକାଲି ପିନ୍ଧୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି କି?
That may not be a valid ground for rejection.
That's what I'm saying. So if the 40 years, 40 years, what's the problem?
If in the proposal form he would have concealed the date of his age, then
You just take instruction on that. Learn concept of the LIC to take instruction in the matter. Especially
already they filed counter lordship
I have already filed a
especially
counter.
with respect to the reason for repudiation of the claim by the parent. Repudiation of the claim?
lordship
It has
reputation
been
claim.
reputed. Your lordship may hear
Already
it and
reputed
close
lordship.
it. The lordship may hear it. And I have taken another ground. Besides this, the claim is barred by limitation, relying on section 44.
How many days after that
My lord, he died in the policy was of 2003, and he died in April 2004, and claimed 2012. As per section 44A of
12?
yes,
No,
as
no.
per section 44A of the Limitation Act,
Sir,
it has to be
in
filed.
financial thing, you have to be very careful about this limitation.
And the limitation specific, my lord, section 44A.
You file a reply as T wants. Let him file a reply.
Lordship, I let it on the lordship.
LIC to file a reply. List the matter on 8th December.
lordship
Start. What is the next?
42.
42. 42.
Kindly pass over this matter.
Pass over. Okay, pass over. Next.
Item 44.
44.
The lordship would have remembered. This is the case of the badminton association, my lord.
Yes.
On the last occasion, your lordship was directed them
ନା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ସତ ବ୍ୟାଡମିଣ୍ଟନ ଆସୋସିଏସନ ମେମ୍ବର ଆଉ କିଏ ଝୁଟା next item is the matter on 8 December. Next item
46
मतलब आसु 10,004 से ओल्ड मैटर टा पूरा
46
Your Lordship, I am in virtual matter may be taken after launch, Your Lordship. I am coming to this court.
Okay pass all
47
Bank has appeared in this case, and bank has also, Lordship has also instructed my learned friend to get instruction.
what is the case?
My lord, case is that the father of the petitioner died, and he is having savings account as well as recurring deposit account, in which the present petitioner, being the unmarried daughter, is the only nominee. Now they are not disbursing the amount.
Who are the other legal heir?
May I plead, my lord? I am the other legal heir, my lord.
Oh, ठीक है हेयर नहीं है हेयर नहीं हेयर इटा हेयर हेयर
Other
in last
other three legal heirs,
ठीक है रोहंतु सर आपनको पाखु आसीबी
all of them are married.
ठीक है अटकी थांतु yes
Legal heir certificate I have annexed under Annex 2. All of them have married, and one is a major son.
major
So
married हेले legal heir तो पाइबे ना married हेले कौन पांती नहीं
but SB account, savings account रे nominee जे थिबो पैसाटा ताकू मिलिबो.
सर ताकू मिलिबो जे तासी nominee is just like your what you call is a custodian
Caretaker is
he is a trustee so upon since he is a custodian of that amount he cannot भाई hello excuse me sir ठीक है kindly ठीक है यदि conference बंद करंतु तो कौन है
No, my lord, I am for the intervenor.
रोहंतु मा intervenor मु आगो बंद करे
My lord, in last occasion, you
this is silent zone you should understand this is silent zone you can't talk like this let it only between the person who is arguing no other person can talk you want to go outside
Lordship may also can direct the amount to be apportioned between four of them.
Apportioned among
between all the legal heirs.
Among all the legal heirs.
Yes.
That is what I am saying.
Yes,
that's what I'm saying.
That is also they are not doing.
No, they are what this is.
Yes. Bank has also requested to the party, this petitioner, to submit a legal heirs details.
Of course.
Yes, I have submitted, my lord.
रोहन तो ना ठीक है कहवा को दियंतु ठीक है हाँ.
So as per the bank's letter, they have not submitted. In the meanwhile, my lord, the other legal heirs have also taken a order from this Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court has also categorically stated this is the order.
Who are the other legal heirs? Total केते total केते जन?
Legal heirs
जने पुओ 3 जन झियो आकु मिसे 3 झियो.
Your lordship kindly see page 7 Annex 2 that other legal heirs are there. They had came to the Honorable High Court. And the Honorable High Court has also passed a specific order. All the legal heirs should come. What my lord is now taking the decision. Accordingly,
this is the same view taken by
yes.
Accordingly,
this is the only view.
Yes, that is this.
It can't be any other view.
Yes, I am also
what I'm saying. Do one thing. You give the entire legal heir document to him, to the banker. The banker will examine all legal heirs and accordingly on your you show all your identity proof.
Yes.
Take the money.
Yes.
Then the bank will do. And if somebody one person will say no, give me.
Yes. Lordship
nominee is not that for your consumption only. The entire thing.
Accordingly, bank has requested one.
Obviously, bank has to be careful.
With that observation, Lordship may dispose it of.
Yeah.
My lord, may plead, my lord. My lord, in last occasion, your lordship.
Last occasion,
yes, in last occasion, you also directed the petitioner to file the my lord to implead us as a parties, my lord.
हाँ किसी न करी हवा इम्प्लीड न करी आपण जीवे स्टेट बैंक को जीवे लेबे एते इम्प्लीड कॉलेज आ इम्प्लीड करी आ मासे पडी ने लगे भी टाइम ना कोन
नहीं जजमेंट हम गोटे देई छै
कोन के छाड़ा
आरके जस्टिस आरके पात्र एंड पी राय
जो जजमेंट था मु तो एटा दैट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ लॉ आ जो जजमेंट
से एसबीआई रे ऑलरेडी 5 लाख उठी छैलेनी आगा
के उठी सरछि
No, no. That is allegation.
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ପରେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
ପଇସା ଜମା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯାଇ ପହଞ୍ଚିବି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କାଇଁ ଆଜି ନେବେ? ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ରଖିବିନି ମୁଁ ରଖିବିନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 4,50,000 ଅଲରେଡି ଉଠେଇ ସାରିଲିଣି।
I belong to OGB, my lord, Odisha Gramin Bank.
ଆଉ କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଅଛି କି?
ନା ଏଠି ଖାଲି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଗ୍ରାମ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ହିଁ ଅଛି। ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ପାର୍ଟି ନାହିଁ।
4,50,000 କୋଉଠୁ କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରୁ ଉଠିଲେ?
SBI ର ସାର୍।
ଏଠି ତ ଆମର SBI ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ଆମ SBI।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି ଯାଇକି ଉଠେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଏଟା ଯେମିତି ସେ ନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆସିକି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇନା ଅଲରେଡି ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏବେ ନାଓ I am concerned with Odisha Gramya Bank SBI ରେ କଣ କଲେ I'm least bothered. You go to whatever you want to do.
Well, SBI amount may be included part of that distribution, my lord.
That may be.
SBI ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ ରିଡ୍ କରିକି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ନେଇ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ।
But here only concern is this.
With respect to SBI, they have taken this order.
My lord, entire amount may be distributed among the legal heirs. That may be observed, my lord.
Obviously,
with regard to SBI, this
I don't
court has passed the order.
Silent करो ହେଇଗଲା ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ submission ହେଇଗଲା ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ।
With regard to SBI, what my learned friend is submitting, they have taken this order. I am not disputing that. Yes, I am not disputing.
Say rule about there is only rule by.
Yes. Yes, they are objecting to that.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ nominee আছে ସମସ୍ତେ
All the legal heads will be present.
Yes. Under Annexure 1 is the death certificate, under Annexure 2 is the legal head certificate.
ମୁଁ କିଛି Annexure 1 2 ଲେଖିବାର ନାହିଁ ମୋର। The petitioner
along with all
the legal heirs to approve the bank with all the documents pertaining to legal heir, and on satisfaction the bank shall
disburse
the amount
to all the legal heirs
proportionately among the legal heirs. खत्म गोटे लाइन Annexure 1 Annexure 5 कंपेयर करते। Next dispose of
48.
Dispose of Miller.
Next
48 last of university directed the NBFC to take instruction to settle the account.
My lord, I have received the
for
my lord, I am for the OP number 213, my lord. Bank Aadhar Housing Finance, my lord. Aadhar Housing Finance, OP number 213.
Finance bank ki?
No,
sir.
sir.
Bank.
Lordship Finance.
Not a bank. NBFC.
Yes, lordship.
NBFC and bank with a difference. What is the difference between NBFC and bank?
My lord,
last occasion also I asked you this question, if I remember right.
No.
Now you tell me.
My lord,
difference
Yes, lord.
the difference Google search NBFC or bank with then I'll see you.
Lordship.
2 PM. If you have no problem.
No problem.
Let him learn something.
Yes.
NBFC pura detail. NBFC रे bank रे act रे section रे NBFC bank. This is a difference pura. Statute पढ़ी गया है ना जाओ detail है. Next.
Item 49.
49.
Item 49 on the last occasion, your lordship has issued notice. It is with regard to the Dabur product which has been held as excisable, my lord. So
what is your answer?
My lord, I sought for those instruction. It has not come yet, my lord.
ଏତେ ଦିନ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷଟେ
And 2 weeks time so that we can find a detail.
ଆମର ଅଫିସର ପାଦରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ନା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଡାବର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ କୋଉ ହିସାବରେ ଏଟା ଓଡିଶା ଲିକର ଇଏରେ ଯାଉଛି ଏକ୍ସାଇଜ ଇଏରେ କେମିତି ଗଲା? This is something
how it can be termed as intoxicant.
That's what maybe there are some Ayurvedic products that is slightly intoxicant element there.
Homeopathy medicine itself is intoxicant because 99%
there are
alcohol.
certain medicine that is there, always there, but that can't hit the excise act.
That's true.
Okay, just take instruction. How many days you want?
My lord, I will ask for the
telephone. December laguchi. Hala, you take instruction. Otherwise, your officer will come and explain.
My lord.
Hala. Lord, concept for the state 1 week time to file the reply. Failing with the excise superintendent Ganjam.
OP number 2. That would be OP number 4. Excise sector.
Cuttack. Excise commissioner. Excise commissioner Cuttack shall be personally present to explain.
Interim order, your lordship.
Interim order to continue.
Continue.
My lord, a free copy may kindly be.
Sorry?
Free copy of
Yeah,
the
free copy. Next,
50.
50.
My lord, I think there's a defect which is shown as a notice regarding, I think, OP number 4. So if he's a requisite,
Yeah, for?
we are for the petitioner along with.
We are together. What defect? you are saying?
Filed requisites, but for some reason probably there has been some enhancement in the stamp valuation
Oh,
of the
okay.
stamp. So that is.
So the defects.
Maybe-
Under the SRB removed by the.
No, they're appearing, so it can be ignored.
Okay. The requisites filed by the requisites. You have already filed.
Requisites fail. Your lordships may ignore that. No notice need be sent because they have already appeared.
Requisites the SR may ignore the requisites. Since,
Except opposite party number 1.
Except
AP number 1.
Since the.
That is also state.
Since the opposite party, since the
Achha,
Mr.
Union
Misra has already waived the
Union of
notice on
India,
behalf of the
yes.
state. Okay.
OP number 1, Union of India has already appeared. So
All are there. Okay, let's, but only thing is here, I don't know how they understood this, that's why I want to know. Your commissioner should explain.
I'll take instruction.
Yeah.
oblige.
And excise intoxication nathila to. Check kala. Next.
Item 50.
50.
In the previous state, the lawyer for the IndusInd Bank was appearing, but today it's not.
IndusInd Bank.
IndusInd Bank. Notice.
अब आरबीआई को क्या पार्टी बनाती इंडसइंड बैंक रा कथा आरबीआई को पार्टी कहाँ पे बनाती
सेटा डिलीट है
अच्छा डिलीट कर दी तो
हां नेक्स्ट वीक चले था
व्हाट इज द इशू व्हाट इज द इशू
issue my lord some premium were remain unpaid because of the my vehicle made the accident so in the
you have taken loan from IndusInd Bank we let them come non appears for the opposite party bank list the matter on 5th December. Next, who is appearing for IndusInd Bank?
my lord the name is not there because list
Our file करना
ये ना जाना दे
मैं मुंह से
कॉपी दे दे जल्दी ही रहता काम
ना मैं से so proper way रे रेफर पोस्ट जाइथला से अपील करथिले प्रीवियस डे
की करथिले
I am forgetting his name. Perhaps Central Government Council also simultaneously.
और तंग ना जानी भी ना अपन से काउंसिल सोले काम पड़ी हुआ है और नाले केंदी ऑफिस साफ कर ले केंदी करी ना जाने ले केंदी नेक्स्ट 51
मेरे में पे 50 रे से जेतु मोर पिला गैरेज रे तयारी होतला से नहीं गेले
जे बैंक का आसिले से ना कोन करी
मु चाहू
बैंक लेट
आसिक से गैरेज रे तयारी हो
तो सेटा बैंक न आसिले मु किछि कहि परिबिनी लेट द बैंक काउंसिल नेक्स्ट
Item 51.
51 non appears just the matter on 19th December 52
already filed with the years later last occasion lordship directed to government council take instruction about
you have taken instruction what is the GRC matter what is the
transfer frequent transfer of GRSM
what you have taken instruction you have been transferred from where to where
yes I have transferred from Bhanjanagar to Belagunda block
distance what is the distance
30 kilometers
30 kilometers
Bhanjanagar to Belagunda no basis ये 30 रे बेसी होगा must be
Bhanjanagar block to Belagunda block is 8.7 kilometers
ब्लॉक से को गारे थे पोस्टिंग ना ब्लॉक रे अपन ब्लॉक रे पोस्ट
এটা ব্লক রে রুহନ୍ତି না ব্লক
केते किलोमीटर
8.7 kilometers
only
we have avoided in our counter also
the kind of copy not sir
एते पाखो ते
copy टा ना option
ना एते पाखो हबनी सर I can't I my knowledge is not that nearer it is slightly farther exact distance कहंतु मते
8.7 kilometers.
पक्का
Paka my lord.
आपण को कोन कहउछिन
More
I may be wrong also
Mr. Nayak is appearing this, some problem is there.
mo etibe ko jodi 8.7 I will not interfere lamba
In my
distance
counter, I have above it is
Let
8.7.
me solve a copy of the counter.
then the आगे ए छोटिया मेथड काउंटर रिजॉइंडर एते कॉलेज होची एते तो दी पद कथारे काम सरी जीव काउंटर रिजॉइंडर आज सुन दो
Government circular.
को ब्लॉक मु जानि छी गवर्नमेंट सर्कुलर ऑन माय ऑर्डर ओनली गवर्नमेंट
Yes,
सर्कुलर
yes,
गिवन
yes,
सर्कुलर
Yes.
I know that don't show me that circular I am aware of that I have passed an order on the basis of that order they have they floated this new circular so I am aware of this now the question is if distance is not very far you can manage you should manage
That's instruction from my client.
instruction ना तो कौन करते रहता है अपना
This is Mr. Gopal
sorry
Nayak is appearing. Mr. Nayak is appearing in this.
तो नायक यार तो ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन आने थाते ना
Personal difficulties to me.
केते बड़ा आसीबे से दुईटा ବେଳେ ଆସିବେ
हाँ.
ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପାସ୍ ହବ ଏଇ ଖବର ନେଇକି ଆସିଥିବେ କେତେ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ନ ଆଣିଲେ ବେଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଆଇ ଟେକ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆଜ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 53.
ର ମୁଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଦେଖି ଦଉଛି ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
So 53 actually is that freezing of the account
जस्ट
of
ମୁଁ
the farm.
डिस्टेंस ଟିକେ ଦେଖି ଦଉଛି
or distance. The Google map ରେ ଥିବ sir.
that's what I'm checking
ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର ବେଲୁଣ୍ଡା ପାଖରେ ହବ।
ଏତେ ପାଖରେ ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ଡାଉଟ ଲାଗୁଛି
One police station.
6 mile 9 kilometer is right
It is 8.7 kilometers.
8.7 ठीक ଅଛି କୋଉ ବାଟରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି then why should unnecessary ତାକୁ entertain କରିବା
Nucleus of
sorry sir sorry ଏତେ ପାଖଟା ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ଦେଖ the distance between the two places from Bhanjanagar to Belgunta is only 8.7 kilometers this court is not inclined to interfere with the order transfer order and this way unnecessary ताको धरिକି बसिବି counter agenda କରିବି next
53.
53 that freezing of account, your lordship.
Yes, yes.
So they have filed a counter last
Well, I am
Friday.
for the OP number 1 and 2. Bank. I have
Bank.
already. I
Have
have
they
already
filed a
filed
counter?
The police station which police station issued that
No.
on what basis you have frozen the account
Well, as per the manual instruction of the retail banking rules and regulations. So after
कौन हला कॉले
well, joint account current account टा होची joint रे खोला आइतला joint पते any of the partner जदी आसी करी objection करंती ताहले सेटा को फ्रीज करा जाओ उभय को नोटिस करा जिवो सेमान जदी म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट एग्री करंती ताहले डिफ्रीज because the money is the public money and precaution step will be taken
current account रे public money पैसा कौन बोलते आपण current account रे public money कोड आइला
Current account
तांका भीतर पैसा त दुई जण दे आमे दुई जण पार्टनर के फार्म में public money कोड आइला तांका private money public money कोड आइला लोन जो दोचंदी आपण एटा public money अब कोडा की public money कह देबे भाई
Well, as per the banking internal guideline and rules, if the
कोड देखा तो मते से रूल लग
well, I filed the annexer C by 2 my
annexer
and also I am not the contesting party my
रोहन जी सर मते देखंतु रेगुलेशन में contesting कथा कहूनी
well file I am filed
कार अकाउंट केते बेले फ्रीज
annexer C by 2 my page number 65 to 68
कहीं हम
which is mentioned in the
सर काउंटर आपण आसीनी हम फाइल रे नहीं काउंटर
Counter Friday file
copy
कॉपी देबे ना काउंटर कौन ले
copy serve करे कि
Copy served. So Friday they have served a copy.
yes ma'am
but what is there any the regulation says
No, sir.
Let us file a record.
okay you file a record 2 weeks 2 weeks take 1 week let's finish
10 days, sir. 10 days. sir.
ठीक है I'm fixing on 11 December non concept of this petitioner to file the rejoinder affidavit within 2 weeks this is a matter on 11th December entry order to continue sir take a check kariye I'm not disputing maybe there will be guideline I don't know you just show us that guideline आपनोडा आसीनी मो पाख next
54.
Regarding appointment of Anganwadi worker, my.
Anganwadi worker कौन हला
First advertisement was was there.
My lord, so far,
2016 matter that.
my lord, insofar as connected matter is concerned, in view of specific above mentioned para 5 of the counter, my writ petition may be in progress because she has joined in another school.
Oh. Then फिर कौन लावा?
ସେଥିଲାଗି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ
Press
ହେଇଛି।
हबो जहाँ हबो।
ନାଇଁ ସେଠି କଣ
नहीं नहीं किंदी नहीं अबे press होची सब।
ଫ୍ରେଶ ନୋଟିସ କାହିଁ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଫ୍ରେଶ ନୋଟିସ ଟାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ
ଆଜିକାଲି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସପୋଜ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କଲେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ କୋଉଠି ଜଏନ କରିଦେଲା କି somebody died or something happened, somebody resigned, whatever happened.
after he was terminated by the order of the ADM,
even
by
if
the
terminated, sir.
order of the ADM,
Even if terminated, ଏବେ Supreme Court judgment ଏବେ କହୁଛି ସେଠି trace କର ବୋଲି କହୁଛି।
ନାଇଁ terminated ହେଲା in the appellate authority
ଆପଣ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କହିଲେ ମତେ?
ମୋ serial number ଆଉ only
ଆପଣ serial number 9
serial number 9
serial number 9 ଆଉ only candidate in the belongs to the service area, not in the
ଆପଣ ଆଉ apply କରନ୍ତୁ press ହବନି କିଛି। 2016 ମାटर ସେ ପଳେଇଲେଣି କୁଆଡେ ଆପଣ
ସିଏ ହଉଛି 2013
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ learn concept of the you are for opposite party selected candidate.
In opposite party number 2,
Just take
4.
it, sir. You are for the selected candidate.
Yes.
And you have worked for some time.
So I am worked for 2 years.
2 years. After that, you resign.
Yes.
you are terminated,
disengaged me lord।
Disengagement, thereafter I joined some.
through the order of the ADM,
Okay, lekho.
appellate authority.
So ADM order
Appellate authority said that the next candidate from the merit list he will be appointed. I am the next candidate belongs to the same area, not any other candidates. Though there are 15 candidates, I am the next candidate.
ଆପଣ କେବେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ ସେ ଅଲଗା
2011,
disengage ହେଲେ କେବେ?
2013.
13 ରେ disengage ହେଲେ।
ये 13 ର order ହେଲା, ଏ order ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ disengagement
13 ରୁ ଏ ଯାଏ କେମିତି ଚାଲିଛି ସେ ଜାଗା? ଏବେ
ସେଟା stay order ଥିଲା। ସେଥିରେ ସେଇ
କିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି ଏବେ?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରେସ୍
ଫ୍ରେଶଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ସେଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ
ADM order କଣ ମୁଁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ? ADM order I have the power to change his order also.
ADM କହିଲେ ଯେ
ADM କହିଦେଇ ପାର।
କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍
ତାର ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଥିଲା।
I am the only candidate.
ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଥିଲା।
stay
ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟେ ଭେକେଟ୍ କରିଦଉଛି। ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରେଶ କରି କରଲା କଣ? କାଇଁ unnecessary
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ମେରିଟ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଟୁ ଦ
ମେରିଟୋରିୟସ୍ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠୁ ହେଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 9 ନମ୍ବର ଥିଲେ ମେରିଟୋରିୟସ୍।
9 ନମ୍ବର ଆଉ କେହି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଏରିଆରେ ବିଲଙ୍ଗ
ଆଇଲେ
ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆରେ କେବଳ ଗୋଟିଏ ମୁଁ ଲୋକ
by default.
not anybody.
That is by default.
No, I saw you.
But as per my counter, my lord,
he is fighting from my pillar to post my
his place is 9th. Above him, another 7 persons are there, my lord।
they are not belongs to that area,
but they have been
they have not challenged this.
They have not challenge not କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି କାଇଁ let prejudice be done to none. That is the
in
policy.
spite of the stay order, the second notification was there, annexure 5, which was challenged.
ଏତେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ନାହିଁ ସିଧା
annexure 5 ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରେ
fresh ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପିଟିସନର ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଫ୍ରେଶ ହେଲେ ଆଉ ମୋର ବୟସ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହବନି ମୁଁ
କଣ କରିବା କହନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ବୟସକୁ ତ ଆମେ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିବୁନି ସାର୍।
କାରଣ
Can I stop your age? ନିଜଟା ମୁଁ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରୁନି ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଅଟକେଇବି?
ନାଇଁ ଏଡିଏମ
କିଏ କାହାର ଏଜ ଅଟକେଇ ହେବନି।
ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଟିକେ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପାରା ଟୋଟିକି ମାଇ
ତ ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା କଣ କରାଯିବ?
ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡର ପାରା ଟୋଟି
ସେ ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡର କେବେ ପାସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା?
2013 ରେ ତାକୁ
13 ରୁ ପାସ୍ ହେଲା। ଏଇ ଯେ ଆପଣ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲେ କେବେ ଆସିଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କୁ? ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଏନିୱେ ଏଡିଏମ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନଥିଲା।
ADM order against the
ସିଏ ଆସିଥିଲେ।
ହଁ ସେ ଟର୍ମ ଷ୍ଟେ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଥିବା
view of
sorry
in view of the second repetition second connected in view of the writ petitioner's disengagement from the service and she had joined in some new service. ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଅଟକିବେ ଟିକେ ମତେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିବେ ଦେବେନି ଏବେ ତର୍କ ପକାଇ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯାହାର ଏତେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ନିଅନ୍ତୁନି ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ ଫ୍ରି ଆରାମସେ ଏଂଜାଇଟି ବେଶୀ ହେଲେ ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ ହାର୍ଟ ଆଟାକ୍ ଏବେ ଆରାମସେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ହଁ this is no stress zone stress ନେବେନି everybody should smiling even if you lose the case you are not losing your why should you lose your health sir health is yours case is not yours what is that? And subsequently she has subsequently joined on some other job
In Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir.
other job the repetition
In progress.
rendered in progress academic discovery now the repetition submitted now fast question First, the petitioner challenges the selection.
Advertising.
Challenges advertisement.
Second advertisement.
Second advertisement. Advertisement challenge कौन करते ले?
ସେଇଟା ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଥିବା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ appoint କରିଦେବେ।
Challenges the stay order, second advertisement since the first advertisement was alive, full stop. The petitioner
ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବି
ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ଲେଖିଲି ମୁଁ alive ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଲି ହେଲାନି। First ଥିଲା cancel ନ କରି କଲେ
Cancel
My
କରି
language is slightly different.
cancel କରିକି କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ହାଁ?
Cancel କରିକି
କରିକି?
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
Cancel କରିକି?
Cancel କରିକି ହେଇଛି।
କ୍ୟାନସଲ କେମିତି କରିବେ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଅଛି ବା ସେଥିରେ
Sir, stay order ମାନିଲେ କଲେ ବାସ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଇଚ୍ଛା।
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପଟା ବି ତା ଦେହରେ ଫାଇଲ
Contempt ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ? Contempt କଲେ?
ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବି ସେମାନେ କଲେ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ଅନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେ କରିଥିଲେ ପୁଣି ସେଇଟା
Contempt ଫାଇଲ କଲେ କି?
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟେ
ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବି କହିଲେ? ଗପାଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ମେରିଟରେ ଅଛି
Merit ରେ ଥିଲେ ଥିଲା କଣ କରିବୁ?
ଆଉ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ ନ ହଉଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
The
ୱାନ୍
present petitioner got selected, the present petitioner was ranked as 9. Ranked as 9
and
in
only
the
candidate belongs to the
Sir,
same
ଟିକେ
area
ଅଟକ କେତେ ଥର କହିବେ ସେ କଥା ମତେ ଟିକେ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଣ କହୁଛି ranked as 9 and she was belonging to the service area.
No, Miller.
No.
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର
ସେଟା ବି ନାହିଁ କହିଲେ
no
Your lordship kindly see page 20.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ରେ କୋଟ କରିଦେବି
Page 20, Miller.
page 20.
My lord. You start from page 19.
Okay.
This is the appeal preferred by
Being
the
agreed by the selection of respondent number 1, the number 3,
OP number 6, Miller.
OP number 6, the present petitioner filed an appeal before the ADM, before the appellate authority. The ground of challenge,
My lord, it is OP number 4, Miller.
OP
I'm
number
sorry.
4, the ground of challenge as set out in the appeal shows that the petitioner was residing within the service area, and after the death of her husband, she is residing with her mother-in-law in quarter number IR 70, and being secured highest percentage of marks, she has been rightly selected as the Anganwadi worker for the above Anganwadi center. That is the claim of the opposite party, his client.
ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆଟା କେବଳ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ସ୍କୁଲ ପଢା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ନା କଣ?
ବିଜୟ
ସେ ଯାଇଥିଲା ନା?
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଏରିଆରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲୋକ ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଲୋକ କେହି ସେଇ ପଢାରେ ମୁଁ ରହୁଛି କେବଳ ଘର ପାଖରେ
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଆଧାର
As per
କାର୍ଡ
learned counsel, the petitioner submits that the petitioner was a permanent resident of the service area, which is disputed by the state authority. Correct?
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି
Sir, ଟିକେ disputed by ମନା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁନି ଆପଣ ବସିବେ ବସନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ନା ଛିଡା ହେବେ ମୁଁ କରିବି ସବୁ କଥାରେ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ତାଙ୍କ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କରିବା ରାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ସତ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଥିବେ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କରିପାରିବେ ତ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଚୁପଚାପ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଚେୟାର ନାହିଁ କି ଚେୟାରଟା ଦେଇଦିଅ ବସନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା as such the selection of the OP number 4 has not been the learned counsel the learned ADM, who is the appellate authority, found that the selection of the OP number 4 was not found to be proper, and in view of that, the appellate authority directed the government to
the CDPO
to the CDPO to select the next candidate from the merit list who is a permanent resident of the operational area. Full stop.
Well, the next line is important. In case
In
there is
case
no
there is no merit list, steps may be taken for selection of Anganwadi worker in the
fresh.
press. Accordingly, the appeal was disposed of. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner was the 9th candidate in the selection in the merit list. Hence, there are about 7 candidates above the present petitioner. Full stop. And none of the candidates are made parties. Full stop. Accordingly, the order passed by the ADM to select the second candidate from the merit list is not possible by this, is not possible since the selection list was of the year 2013. 11. In the meantime, 13 years have been passed, that is 12 years have been passed, and the said old list cannot be given effect to. Full stop. In view of the above, the CDPO is directed to float a fresh advertisement there's a float advertisement for selection of the Anganwadi worker in the what is the state? This is Anganwadi Center.
Sanjay Gandhi School Pada Anganwadi Center
Sanjay Gandhi School Pada Anganwadi Center
at ward number 14 of Paradip Municipality.
and ward number 14 of Paradip Municipality. It is made clear that if the petitioner is eligible age-wise and otherwise, the petitioner is granted liberty to participate in the said selection process and try her luck. Best of luck. Dispose of.
Item 55.
55.
Lordship, one line added that I am my submission that he belongs to only candidate to the.
ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଲେଖିବି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେସ୍ ମୁଁ କଲି ଆଉ ଏତେ
କ୍ଲାର୍କ ସେ କଥାଟା କହିନାହାନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡା ଯିବି
ଗୋଟେ misunderstood
କାହିଁ misunderstood learn caste with the petitioner submit ଆଗରୁ ଲେଖିଦେବି submit that the petitioner is the only suitable candidate among the 9 candidates
in the service
who belongs to the locality upon satisfaction. Okay, next.
55.
May I please?
Two which belong to the state denied like this. 55.
55.
Yeah.
Prepare a short note.
What is this case? What is this case about?
Well, here the advertisement for Anganwadi worker lordship, the annexure 4 is under challenge. During pendence of this writ application, fresh advertisement also made. Your lordship last order your lordship stay the last advertisement. Here the case your lordship in 2016 there was an advertisement for selection of Anganwadi worker. Thereafter 2016 that has been cancelled. Thereafter in 2017 another advertisement was issued and that has also been cancelled after the counter lordship.
So third
advertisement issued lordship and which is challenged before this honorable court and in view of the interim order passed, the writ application pending.
Which continuing there?
Other personal lordship, the nearby.
Who is the highest scorer? You or the other person?
I am the highest scorer in the 2016 advertisement lordship.
In the last advertisement, this one. The third advertisement.
2017.
Third advertisement lordship, no result has been published till date. No processing. ସେଇଟା cancel କରିକି ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଆଇଏ ରେ କରିଥିଲି ହଜୁର ଷ୍ଟେ କରିଛନ୍ତି. The ground lordship, how the innocent, the petition is a widow lady lordship. How he is harassing by the authority since 2016 lordship. if a lordship go through the counter affidavit filed by the state lordship, the only ground is that the cancellation of the advertisement that other candidates allege that I am not in the service area. On that ground, advertisement cannot be quasi lordship. There is specific guidelines lordship. If a lordship examine the guidelines for selection of organized worker lordship, if the person is not within the service area, her candidature may be rejected a lordship. But here on that plea, the authorities cancel the advertisement one after another. And last
you cancel on what ground?
That is
All
there.
those cancellation made on what ground?
Because of the dispute of the service area, my lord.
So then why should you cancel the,
Yes.
if a dispute is with respect to one candidate, you can
My lord,
just
my lord,
cancel that candidate can be
My lord, the
excluded.
last advertisement cancelled only because of the direction to the CDPO to demarcate afresh the service area, accordingly issue an advertisement for
So demarcation here.
demarcation ठीक से हेई नथिला बेले dispute आसला बेले तो demarcate करिया पे कहछन एबे demarcate हेई कि
डिमार्केशन हैला परे भी एबे जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट काढिचंती सेत्रे भी
apply କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
16 मसियार मु आके विडो लेडी जणे 16 मसियार चाकरी करी बोले अपेक्षा करछि अबिका 5 वर्ष पर मोर एज गडी गला एवं फ्रेश कैंडिडेट आके फ्रेश मेरिटोरियस कैंडिडेट भी आसिलेनी मु आके वर्तमान जदी वर्तमान प्रोसीडिंग रे मु पार्टिसिपेट करले भी मु सिलेक्शन हेबिनी आगे
तो आपण सेतेबेले सिलेक्शन हेतिले
आगे
कोउथरे
फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे
आपण फर्स्ट पर कैंसिल हला सिलेक्शन केनी हेले माने आपण सिलेक्शन हला पर कैंसिल हेतिला
नहीं कैंसिल जो करूचंती
पास एडवर्टाइजमेंट रे आपण सिलेक्शन हेतिले
जति जण पिला सिलेक्शन हेइनी
दा फिर सिलेक्शन हेतिले
कैंसिल कर देले
अच्छा सिलेक्शन नाही कि आपण हैरेस के दी गेले
जति जण अप्लाई करथिले सेतिर मु आगे
हेई दिबो ताकू चाकरी न देले सेटा हैरेसमेंट आपण सिलेक्शन नाही नी किछि नाही माने पूरा एकदम सब आपण राइट हैला
तीनटा जगह कोठी सिलेक्शन कंप्लीट है
जते जण पिला अप्लाई करिथिले आगे 16 मसिया रे सेतिर मु मेरिटोरियस कैंडिडेट अछि ताको पाखरे मटेरियल अछि से निजे दियंतु
सिलेक्शन हेनी त मेरिटोरियस आपण केंदी कहबे
अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर आगे गोटे साई रो पिला तांको भितरे कहार केते मार्क आगे से अनुसार जना पड़ जिवो किए
गवर्नमेंट रिजल्ट न बाहरिवा जाए कि मेरिटोरियस केमती कहबा डिफिकल्ट आपण
सेटा ठीक अछि किंतु ओनली टू अकोमोडेट देयर कैंडिडेट लॉसी दे हैव बीन कैंसिल्ड
ऑल दिस थिंग्स
इलीगली विदाउट फॉलोइंग द गाइडलाइंस
एज केते होची
आगे
एज केते होची आपनकर
लास्ट पूरा 35
केते कहंतु
35 एबे
42 जाय एज अछि 40 अछि ना एज 40
हेले भी आगे 28 मते हेछि कि तो हेई हबनी
42 42 जाय
42 जाय अछि जाय
ए जे किंतु 16 मसिया रे
छाडन से पास इज पास ना
मु माने
विथ अप्लाई कर तू
नहीं अप्लाई करबे करा का एतरे हेले मोर हबनी
सेना नहीं पचार जी
एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर 672 डेटेड 11 अक्टोबर
एबे जोटे प्रेजेंट कोड एलआई कोड
11/10/23
11/10/23 the advertisement published on 11/10/2023
आई रे मोर नेक्स्ट
which is pending before the authority
एटा हेले का मोर हेई परिबनी
one to shall be complete the selection process in response to the above stated advertisement the selection process shall be completed within a period of 1 month from today if the petitioner has applied before the authority authority the petitioner case shall also be considered in along with other candidates. Hello. If you have applied, and if she has not applied, she is granted liberty to approach to apply afresh. करछंदी ना कोन मते
अप्लाई करछंती
करछंदी ना
आगे
विडो हेले भी 10 मार्क्स अधिका पाइ
एटा भी विडो थिबे एबे नुवा आसी जिबानी हबने किछ हबने एतरे और किछ इनोसेंट लेडी आगे 10 मार्क अधिका नहीं अलगा अलगा विडो भी 16 मसिया रो 5 वर्ष भीतर अलगा विडो भी सही एरिया थिबे आगे प्योरली इलीगली दे हैव कैंसिल लॉटे गाइडलाइन फॉलो करि नाते हजूर पाखे जदी हम एटा न कहि परबा कोड कहबो आगे करि चंती इलीगली हजूर ते देखंतु सेटा मु ताको काउंटर ता देखु ना
कान चेंज ना आई कांट चेंज द क्लॉक जोटा हेची एबे रिमेडियल मेजर कोन हार्ट ता जो करछि सेतरे आपण भी अप्लाई करछथि आपण केस भी कंसीडर करा जिवो
कले भी कम 5 वर्ष भितर मेरिटोरियस कैंडिडेट आसीबा आगा हे किछि न्याय मिलिबनी
इंडिया
कोन हम करि परिया इलीगली से कैंसिल तांको लोकन को रखिया पय आगा 16 मथिया रे गोटे विधवा लोक हैरान करिवे
एजुकेशन लोग तांका लोक को बोली करी कोन प्रूव बिना पाटरे जा के हे जिवो ना कोन
से माने का विदाउट इलीगली काहे की कैंसिल कले बारंबार देखु नांती को रीजन ले कैंसिल करछन दिया लॉसी पास मेरिट मोर मेरिट रिट डिसमिस को नांती मोर किछ आपत्ति नै से पूरा इलीगली आगा करछन
मेरिट केन डिसमिस करी तो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस सरीनी
नहीं जोटा को मु चैलेंज करूची सेटा ठीक नै सेटा
होल्ड आपण फास्ट कैंसिल कले को में कले फास्ट को में कले
फास्ट कैंसिल हिला से वार्ड नंबर प्रथमे गोटे अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर थिला सेटा डिवाइड हे कि दीटा हला भूल ले वार्ड नंबर 5 टा 6 लिखा है 6 टा 5 लिखा ही जाइता सेते लगे सेकंड टा हे मिलो
आपण मते लिखि देन कोन कोन तीनटा कैंसिल करे लिखन तापर हम काली देखि टुमारो
पेज 4 रे लिखि चंदी से माने पेज 4 रे काउंटर रे लिखि चंदी लॉर्डशिप काइंडली हैव अ ग्लांस
वेयर इज दैट पेज 4 को पैराग्राफ
page second paragraph as per government guidelines
page 3 milo the first advertisement was cancelled at page 3 of my counter
page 3 31 page
3
31 लिखा है जी continuous page
accordingly the anganwadi worker was selected from the ward number 5 the anganwadi worker of Bahalpur
पैराग्राफ जो पेज 3 है ना पैराग्राफ आपण काई दियंतिनी आपनकर जो ऑफिसर में
पैराग्राफ 8 मिलो इट्स कंटीन्यूअस पैराग्राफ
रिपीटेबली the Bahabalpur revenue village Bahabalpur revenue village revenue village consisting of ward number 5 and 6 till 2009 as per the advertisement number 1 of dated 1/1/2010 a new AWC was created breaking the old AWC which was called Bahabalpur 2 having service area ward number 5. Accordingly, Anganwadi worker was selected from ward number 5. The Anganwadi worker of Bahabalpur 1 having service area ward number 6 was retired from her post of Anganwadi worker in August 2015 and a vacancy was created in Bahabalpur 1 having service area ward number 6 only. But based on the wrong information from the Anganwadi worker of Bahabalpur, instead of advertising ward number 6, it was mentioned as Bahabalpur 1, bracketed Lakshmi Sahi, Tal Sahi, Brahmana Sahi, Behra Sahi, Swai Sahi, as per advertisement number 331 updated 9/5/2016. After inviting application and before verification the certificate, the village and some applicant complained about the service area of the Anganwadi center. They claimed that some household of ward number 5 was included in the service area, where these people have no right to apply as there is another Anganwadi center in ward number 5. After verifying the voter list and survey of Anganwadi worker and picture was clear, and they found that allegation was true. So in order to give proper justice to the villagers, ward number 6, the selection process of Bahabalpur 1 was cancelled by OP number 4, BD letter number 412 of 10/6/2016. Second advertisement was also issued, BD letter number 315 dated 7/4/2017, where service area was mentioned as Bahabalpur 1, ward number 6, and application was received and certificate verification was done by selection committee on 17/5/2017. आपण माने लेखले DTD काई लेखंती डेट पूरा लिखि परबिनी एति भी आपण गोटे दुईटा ऑर्डर टाइप कर देला असुविधा नहीं दिस इज रॉन्ग मेथड DTD गुटे कोन जागे तो DTD DATD तो पूरा लिखिबी DTD गुटे कोन on जो लिखिबे inviting the objection from Anganwadi center all applicants submit petition against
the present
petitioner and mention that she is a resident of ward number 5 from last several years. In the time of Panchayat election 2017, she was alleged to have manipulated and added her household in the ward number 6 only for getting job. They accompanied that the present petitioner cannot be a candidate for the post by only manipulating the name from ward number 5 to ward number 6, as her residence is already belong to, resident has belong to ward number 5, and there is no residence in ward number 6. These complaints were discussed in the selection committee meeting dated 19/6/2017. And it has been decided that in view of the complaint.
And the date is 29, my lord.
I'm so sorry, 29/6/2017. And in view of the complaint raised by the resident against the present petitioner and the rival claim of the present petitioner, the area of Anganwadi Center to be demarcated afresh and to cancel the advertisement dated 7/4/2017. Accordingly, notice 673 dated 1/7/2017, the selection process was cancelled so far as Bahabalpur 1 is concerned. Hence, thereafter, OP number 4, after approval of sub-collector issued advertisement number 273 dated 7/4/2018. Hence, the OP number 4 has not taken any action arbitrarily or illegally. Rather, it was done to stop perpetuating the mistakes committed earlier.
This 2018 advertisement is under challenge.
Now, last advertisement.
18
challenge ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି 18 ର
2018 ର notification ଟା challenge.
My humble submission ଏଠି ସେମାନେ ଯେହେତୁ ମୋ ନାଁରେ allegation କଲେ ସେଟା cancel କରିଦେଲେ identification କରିବା ପାଇଁ. I invite your lordship the last present advertisement ଯୋଉଥିରେ order ହଜୁର ଡାକୁଥିଲେ ସେଇ advertisement ଟା kindly ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଯୋଉଟା ମୋର IA ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି. ଏଥିରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ କଲେ page 9 to my IA lordship. IA number 17379. Page 9 can have a glance. Last portion. 2 number clause रे जो बाहाबलपुर 1 घर नंबर 1 ब्रजबंधु स्वाईଙ୍କ घर ठारू घर नंबर 120 सुचित्र राउतଙ୍କ घर पर्यंत ए सुचित्र राउत होची मोरी घर. From the very beginning I am in within the service area lordship. ସେମାନେ 16 ମସିହା ପରେ ଏବେ ବି ଯୋଉଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ବି ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଭିତରେ ଆସୁଛି.
If there are some mistakes, there is some demarcation issue, there is some problem, there is problem. So they wanted to cancel it and the press was done. So you have applied this. Who knows you will be getting selected also. Why are you so before selection you are just getting alarmed that we are not going to be selected?
ସେମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ୍ସ କୁ ଫଲୋ ନ କରିକି ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଲା ମତେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ରୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କାଇଁ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ
କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କଲେ because of so many other factors. ଗୋଟେ କଥା ନୁହେଁ because there is confusion about that demarcation issue. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଖାଲି because you are from this area
ମୋ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ମୋ ଉପରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ହେଲାରୁ ଡିମାର୍କେସନ ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତ ପୁଣି ଫାଇନାଲି ଆସୁଛି ସେଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେ ମୁଁ ଆସୁଛି ମୋ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଭିତରେ ମୋ ଘରେ ଆସୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ ପ୍ରେସ ରେ ଆପଣ କରିବାର ଅଛି କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ପାରିବିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା କିଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କର they are under they are the employer, they can do anything. You can't just challenge everything. କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ they have tried to set things right. And now the apply karantu we log it good. And now since the latest advertisement hearing number
advertisement number 672
advertisement number 672 of 11/10/2023 is still pending before the CDPO.
Before the selection committee.
Before the selection committee, correct. Also, the petitioner has also applied before the applied for the said post. Hence, the selection committee is directed to conduct the selection process and complete it within 1 month from today. Okay, continue this project. Next.
Item 56.
56.
I let the interim order passed earlier, maybe vacate.
Interim order passed. interim order, if any, stand vacated. Next. Yes.
On the last occasion, your lordship has directed the Tahsildar to give a inquiry report regarding residential status of the petitioner.
Yes. He has given that.
Yes.
Share with them. They should also know.
I'll give a copy. On the last paragraph, your lordship has.
ସମସ୍ତ ତଥ୍ୟକୁ ଆଧାର କରି ସରଜମିନ ତଦନ୍ତ କରିବା ପରେ ନିମ୍ନ ସ୍ୱାକ୍ଷରିତ ତଦନ୍ତ ଅଧିକାରୀ ମାନେ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ଦେହୁରୀ your petitioner ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ଦେହୁରୀ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତପନ ସାହୁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅମରପାଲି 3 ର सर्विस एरिया रे थिबा ससुरंक नूतन घरे रहु नाहंती
That is the service area.
से तांका स्वामी सह अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र अमरपल्ली 2 अधीन रे थिबा तांका ससुरंक पुरातन घरे वर्तमान रहउछंती अब फिर कोन ये नॉट इन सर्विस एरिया
सर गोटे वीक टाइम सर गोटे वीक टाइम देबी हां 1 वीक टाइम सर
आओ के
सर सर टिके सर देखम सर
आओ के देख
सर सी जा रिपोर्ट देबे सर कोन सर
आओ फिर कोन आओ का रिपोर्ट मानी की आप गवर्नर को पठेबी रिपोर्ट
If your lordship will remember, while issuing the direction to the Tahsildar, your lordship had already observed that if the Tahsildar report comes against the petitioner, then
खाली तहसीलदार 3 जन जायछन
3 जन जायछन additional
समस्त माने रे कोन पे तम अगेंस्ट जीवे
हां सर सेटा मु सर कहूछ बस
ना मु एतर जीवार नहीं मु किछि सुनिबार नहीं आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट देयर रिपोर्ट
नहीं सर आपण सर रिपोर्ट को एक्सेप्ट
कोनटा अछि
नो सर रिपोर्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर
सर कंटिन्यूइंग मैडम
No, आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग
You can who is continuing?
I am continuing. I am the.
I have challenged.
I am the.
Challenge.
I had challenged in the appellate forum, your lordship, and it was allowed. Then he obtained a stay in this honorable court.
एटा केबे कर ऑर्डर ये जो appellate forum रो ऑर्डर केबे हितला
2022
22 से या पर थिला ना आगर थिला
आगे
से नोटिस आगर थिला ना पर थिला तो गाइडलाइन आगर थिला ना पर थिला
ओटा ना गाइडलाइन 2023 मार्च रे
बेसी होबन हम सेठी पटे दे
ना सेटा 23 मार्च
23 मार्च रो पर जते आसे सब साडी पठे 23 मार्च
exact date
ठीक है so
सर टिके मु टिके सर कहि परिबी सर
it is
कोन अपन फुल बिलीवर्टी हो
मु सर
your lordship the date
सर
the date is 15th March 2023
15 March okay. Yes please they're saying something कौन
सर annexure 3 page 14 अंगनवाड़ी 3 अमरपाली 3 से सर्विस एरिया सर्वे रिपोर्ट सर से सर्वे रिपोर्ट टा 1/3/2016 रे सर हेइतला सर सर सेइथिरे मो ना सर अछि सर देखु सर
एते कथा जीविनी मो फ्रेश मो आपनकर ये रे मो गुडे टीम पठेली
हां सर
टीम जाई तांग रिपोर्ट देले
सर टीम सर मते ना ना सर टिके सर सुनतो टीम गले सर ठीक अछि आपत्ति किछ नाही टीम मते माने एग्जामिन करिसंती कि नाही
जरूरी नहीं
ताले सर सी सर जहां रिपोर्ट देबी सर
एड्रेस तो सन देखि जाने आपन पचार कोन जरूरी अछि
नहीं सर सर सी सर जहां रिपोर्ट देबी सर बाइंडिंग की सर 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 केम सर नहीं सर आपन सर ऑर्डर करछन सर आपन
के बाइंडिंग माने कोन बाइंडिंग ना का के बाइंडिंग
सर सेटा तो सर हमटू पर्सनल हियरिंग करिवे नहीं सर
लेकिन नहीं बिल्कुल टीम रिपोर्ट देबा पे आपन काय पर्सनल
सेति पे सर मु कहूची सर कोन पे
डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीडिंग
नहीं सर मु सर काहे की कहूची सर सेटा मु सर आपन को कहूची
आपन एमती आर्गुमेंट माने की
नहीं सर आपन सर ठीक कहूची आपन सर मु जो आर्गुमेंट करबी काहे ना सर पिटिशनर तरफ जेतल
नहीं यू आर डूइंग योर जॉब आई एम नॉट सेइंग आपन यदि सपोज डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीडिंग देखि थांता
हां सर
कोन हेता ना आपन न डाके दिला दैट इज रॉन्ग
नहीं सर मु काहे की कथा कहूची
सर्वेइंग रिपोर्ट उड
हां सर सर सेइटा पे सर मु कहूची काहे की कहूची सर मु सर लास्ट टाइम आपन सर कहितली जे मो ससुर घर होची सेइटा सेटा सेइठी मु रहूची मु इलेक्ट्रिक बिल दउची सब करूची सर देखो सर मोर
गोटे मिनिट
सर
ससुर घर आपन गुडे गां रे तीनटा थिबो धरंतु मु माने गुडे हाइपोथेटिकल केस दउची
सर
ତିନିଟା ଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଘର ଆବାଣ୍ଡନ ଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଘରରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭାଇ ରହୁଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଘରରେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ
ସେ ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ ସେ କୋଉ circumstances ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ବିଲ୍ ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ ରହୁଛି ସବୁ କରୁଛି
ଆପଣ
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କୋଉ circumstances ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ ସେ କାହାକୁ
ଅବସର ବିନୋଦନ
ସାର୍ ସେ କୋଉ ସାର୍ କାହାକୁ ବେସ୍ କରିକି ଦେଖିଲେ ସେଟା ତ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଦେଖିକି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ତାସ ଖେଳୁଥିବେ ସେଠି ବସିକିରି ଅବସର ବିନୋଦନ
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇ କଥା ସାର୍ କହୁଛି ବା ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ହେଇଗଲା
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ସର୍ଭେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଲା ସେ ସର୍ଭେ ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ମୋ ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ମୋ ନାଁ ରହିଲା that ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର ମାନେ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଅଲରେଡି ପାସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ସେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦିସ୍ ସର୍ଭେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ has been challenged by him by her and that has been challenged and in read petition
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ସବୁ କଲା ପରେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବି ଦେଲି ମୁଁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମଗେଇଲି ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ସେଇ କଥା ଲେଖିଲା
ନା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
କଣ ତା ବିୟଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ଡୁ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ
ମୁଁ ତ ସେ କଥା କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବା କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଉପରେ କାରଣ ମୁଁ ତ ପଢିନି ନା କାରଣ ସେ କନକ୍ଲୁଜନ ଟା ପଢିଲି ଯେ ଏଇଆ ହେଲା
ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏବେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଟେ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କିଛି କହିବେନି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ to your satisfaction 21
ସାର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ କାରଣ ତାର ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କାରଣ ସି କଣଟା ଲେଖି ଦେଇଦେଲେ
ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ 28 ରେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ପଢାନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଦିନ ଆଉ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖିକି ରଖିଛି ରେଡି
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କରିବିନି ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଯାହା ଦେବା କଥା ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବେ
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଡିଲେଇଂ ଟେକ୍ଟିକ୍ସ
ନା ନା ନା
ଆଉ କଣ
ନା ନା ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ହେଲା ପରେ ଏ ସବୁ ହେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଡିଲେ କରିବେ
paragraph
ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଢି ଦଉଛି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଦ୍ୟ ଡେଟେଡ ସୋ ଏଣ୍ଡ ସୋ 4ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୋଜା ଅମରପଲ୍ଲୀକୁ ଆସି ରାଜସ୍ୱ ନିରୀକ୍ଷକ କେଞ୍ଜିରିଆ ପାଲି ଏବଂ ଅତିରିକ୍ତ ତହସିଲଦାର ବୀର ମହାରାଜପୁର ସହ ଯୁଗ୍ମ ସରଜମିନ ତଦନ୍ତ କରିବାର ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ତଥ୍ୟ ସବୁ ପଦାକୁ ଆସିଲା 1 ଗ୍ରାମର ଭଦ୍ରବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାନେ ପ୍ରକାଶ
ଭଦ୍ରବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାନେ ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରାମର ଭଦ୍ରବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସାର୍
ସବୁ ଲୋକ ଆପଣ ସତ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଭଲ ଭଦ୍ରବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାନେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରନ୍ତି ଯେ ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ଦେହୁରୀ 2014 ମସିହାରେ ତପନ ସାହୁ
ପିତା
ସ୍ୱୟଂସୋ ବିବାହ କରିଥିଲେ ବିବାହ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ଘରରେ ନିବାସ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯାହାକି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅମରପଲ୍ଲୀ 1 ର ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଅଧୀନରେ ଅଛି ବିବାହ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବିବାହ ପରେ ସିଏ କିଛି ମାସ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅମରପଲ୍ଲୀ ର ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଅଧୀନରେ ଥିବା ଏବେ ଘରୋଇ ପ୍ଲଟ ରେ ଏକ ଅସ୍ଥାୟୀ ଚାଳ ଘର କରି ନିଜ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କ ସହ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଗ୍ରାମର କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କ କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ ସିଏ ଉକ୍ତ ଚାଳ ଘରେ ଖୁବ ଅଳ୍ପ ମାସ ରହିଲା ପରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁରଙ୍କ ଘରଠାରେ ନିବାସ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯାହାକି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅମରପଲ୍ଲୀ 2 ର ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଅଧୀନରେ ଅଛି ତଦନ୍ତ ସମୟରେ ଗାଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବାରୁ ଜଣାଗଲା ଯେ ପ୍ରାୟ 5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ସ୍ୱୟଂସୋ ଏବଂ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ସ୍ୱୟଂସୋ ମୌଜା ଅମରାପଲ୍ଲୀ ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର 1008 ରେ ଏକ ନୂତନ ଘର ତିଆରି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଉକ୍ତ ଘରଟି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଅମରାପଲ୍ଲୀ 2 ସର୍ଭିସ ଅଧିକାର ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଅଛି ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ଦେହୁରୀ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଦାବି କରନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଉପରୋକ୍ତ ଘରେ ରହି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ ଭାରତ ମିଶନ ଅଧୀନରେ ଏକ ଶୌଚାଳୟ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ତପନ ସାହୁ ଶୌଚାଳୟ ପାଇଁ ବି ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ନେଇକିରି ପଇସା ନେଇକିରି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପଇସା ନେଇକି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତଦନ୍ତ ସମୟରେ ଉକ୍ତ ଘରର ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ବିଲ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଁରେ ତାହା ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ତପନ ସାହୁଙ୍କ ନାମରେ ଥିବାର ଜଣାପଡିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଗାଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କ କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଁରେ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ସାବିତ୍ରୀ ଦେହୁରୀ ଦେଢଶୁର ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ପ୍ରାଣବନ୍ଧୁ ସାହୁ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କ ସହ ଅମରପଲ୍ଲୀ 2 ରେ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଅଧୀନରେ ଥିବା ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଦେଢଶୁର ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗା
ଆପଣ ଆଉ କଣ କହିବା ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Lordship, if I may further assist your lordship,
he is asking for 2 days then on that day you will assist okay let it come on 23rd ରେ ଆସୁ
ହଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କିଛି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବିନି ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ରିଟନ୍ ନୋଟ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବେ
ଓକେ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍
କିନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ବେସିଂ ଅନ୍ ମାଇ ରିଟନ୍ ନୋଟ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ପାସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ସାର୍ ଦିଅ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଦେବି
ନେଇ
ଆପଣ ନଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଫୋନ ରଖିନାହାନ୍ତି ଉଠେଇଦେବେ ଫୋନ ଧରିକି ପଳେଇବେ କଣ ଏତେ
କାରଣ ମୁଁ ତ ଜାଣିନି ନା ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କାରଣ ସବୁ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କହିଲେ କୋଉ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କହିଲେ ସେଟା ବି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ନା।
ଏତେ କଥା ଆଉ ଏଠି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସିନା ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ Okay, thank you.
Extremely.
Sir, 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Item number 43.
43.
Yes, I think they have issued the appointment order, the results. It might be there in the video machine.
Well, I've already given the copy of the appointment order. In the meantime, they have issued the appointment order to the petitioner. So one part of the grievance is infructuous.
What is the other part?
Other part is the arrear salary as he was working as a salesman.
Okay.
And I've already discussed with the video who is virtually present, your lordship. He has assured me that it will be released within a month.
Very good.
Within a month?
Within a month.
Very good.
Nice response.
Yes, very responsible.
ठीक है. Then let me dispose it of the
My lord.
Since the grievance of the petitioner has already been discussed, except the issue of area salary, which has which is issue of area salary full support. Non concept of the state, something said. It said area salary shall be released within 1 month from today.
As per the instruction of the video,
As per the instruction of the video who is present virtually, we should release within 1 month. Accordingly, celebration.
Disposable.
Disposable. Content is also draw. Content the controversy in the school. Yes. The presence of the video.
Video and Sarpanch Miller, both.
Sarpanch.
Sarpanch.
Okay. But dispense with it. Take it. Next.
Much obliged.
Item 62.
62. 62.
May I please, your lordship?
My lord. Upon Samana Guasu. Come to the front. On the good question answer दियंतु. जौन ट्रेन रू पड़ी गला. एक्सीडेंट रे हो किंबा डे की पड़ी गला हो कि पड़ी गला. आपण ड्यूटी कौन सन इमीडिएटली एज ए पुलिसमैन आपण साधारण लोग नुहे. You are a policeman. ड्यूटी कौन इमीडिएटली आपण चेन पुल करिया कथा. आपण काहे चेन पुल कलेनी?
साथीरे आरपीएफ स्टाफ थिले टीटीआई थिले.
हां.
साथीरे हम गोटे बगरा का.
तो गोटे बगरा तो चेन के पुल कलेनी.
ट्रेन रो गति तो अधिका थिला.
अते अधिका थिले भी स्टिल करी हुए चेन पुल करी हुए.
तो संग संग आरपीएफ कोइला आरपीएफ इंफॉर्मेशन देला. संग संग ट्रेन पुल.
केते समय पर ट्रेन पुल है?
संग संग साहब.
केते समय?
5 मिनट.
संग 5 मिनट पर. आपण केते डिस्टेंस गला पर सेडु पुनी फेरले देखिले जे पर्सन न जाय.
पाखा पाखी सेटा 15 किलोमीटर पाखा पाखी 12-15 किलोमीटर बोले.
12-15 किलोमीटर.
नेक्स्ट स्टॉपेज से बैक कले.
नेक्स्ट स्टॉपेज.
स्टॉपेज थिला सेटा.
सेटा जो पुलिंग कला पर से नेक्स्ट स्टॉपेज जोटा जो पुलिंग कला सेटा बैक. So you see he has categorically mentioned in CV matter. Before the unfortunate incident took place, he was quite pleasant without any shock or fear and moving according to his swiftly. There was no sign of any tension.
What is the problem? कौन पाई से जो डेला ना even तांकर allegation हला policeman pushed.
पुलिस सेटा हजुर काहे करबो.
That is what I am also saying. But why should he just jump from the train?
हजुर.
Train jump काहे करियो सी?
सेटा भी हजुर आमे ताको किछि मिसबिहेव करिन किछि नै.
गुड मैनर जेन गुटे पब्लिक हम साधारण जनता प्रति जेमति व्यवहार होया कथा एका साथी तो आस्तुला हम भी जा खाउ ताकू खोया को किछि भी सबनी कर दउ केमति
तानार एफआईआर हेतिला
ना
एफआईआर हे नथिला
एफआईआर आउस बना लेते
तानार हेतिला
ना
so you are not arresting him
No, no,
you are not arresting him simply he was coming with you
जे झियो जो विक्टिम जे से ता बापा को रिक्वेस्ट ता बापा मां को रिक्वेस्ट कला जे हमें आपको संगे नहीं किसी
I know but ए पिलाटा भी आपन संगे आस्तला
जो से ट्रेंड आस्तले से बोले
तो कोन है पर माने कोन पे से जंप कला किछि तो थिबो किछि कारण
फर्स्ट हजूर मीटिंग करिया पय गला
हम्म।
जेतेबेला हम साथी थिला हम
सर देह खराब थिला ना कोन
मीटिंग कलानी
ना किछि प्रॉब्लम थिला सर हेल्थ इश्यू थिला किछि
खड़गपुर स्टेशन रे हम खाइबा आनिबु
हम्म।
खाइया को जाम ताको कहिलु सेतेबेले से खाइया कथा मना कला तो मु कहिली तमे हम साथी रे आसुतो तो आमे खाइबा तमे खाइबो तेरा ठीक होबो खाओ तापर खाइला तापर से किछ समय पर गला मते बांती लागुछ बांती को जाऊ गला बांती गलानी मो होई जासला सेकंड टाइम जेते गला से बांती न करी फटाक जंप करला जो कोन हम जानि पाइबो
on so of course running Coromandel thila Coromandel Falaknama running speediest standard टिके चेन भी संग संग कला तो कष्ट
ऐसे भी मेंशन करिस सीट रे जे इमीडिएटली अकॉर्डिंगली आई डायरेक्ट दी सॉरी
5 मिनट रे 10-15 किलोमीटर पड़ियो आराम से
let me submit
बहुत फास्टर ट्रेन है बहुत 5 मिनट रे बहुत दूर पड़ियो
let me submit my lord
yes
my lord what happened
legally
my lord what happened my lord
याडू साडू कथा नहीं
my lord in the
पूरा
my
to
in
the
his
point.
affidavit my lord
To
my
the
my lord my
point.
lord
yes
in the affidavit my lord they what they have given my lord they have my lord the wash basin was closed but the right side door was open my lord Mr. Amit Puhan refreshed himself and in a sudden motion he rushed near the right side door and jumped out of the train. The incident.
What is saying?
My lord,
Same thing is saying.
my lord, let submit my lord. ता पूर्वरु my lord, page number 2 रे माने कहिसंती the victim girl Disha Jethua and the FIR accused my lord, the FIR accused Amrit Puhan, the son of the petitioner, wanted to return back with them.
FIR accused आपण के लिखले
my lord.
FIR आपण FIR करने एक बार कितने निहला
एफआईआर में माफी दूं
हां
तार एफआईआर में माफी दूं है
हां
एफआईआर में अलगा एफआईआर में हमसे आती दूं
ने के FIR के का लिखले था
my lord they have the
आपण जस्ट आपनकर जो रिप्लाई देइ छै FIR के का लिखा
full आपण दैछंती आ गोटे केस रे
नहीं छाड़ से
my lord next माने सही केस रे सीआरएमपी 1415 my lord
कितना केस थिला कि
my lord एटा आप पूर्वरु जोटा फाइल हिस्सा जो ये प्रॉपर इंक्वायरी पे my lord kindly have a glance my lord page number 6 in that affidavit my lord they have stated my lord during the investigation my lord on so and so jump the Falaknama express train to returning condition between Bakharwad and Kursmakari level crossing and shifted to the Belda attending doctor declared as about death my lord ASI Srinath Bhoi and so and so of Bhadrak town police station Orissa and the two person namely Santosh Puhan son of so and Norinder Mahalik son of so village Otta Bhadrak my lord rural the Odisha identified the dead body my lord jette bele se sethu mane jodi bi jump karchi my lord kindly have a glance this photographs my lord
जल्दी भी जंप कर दिया कौन जंप काहेंगे
my lord kindly have a glance
hold on
my lord
why should they push
my lord kindly have a glance my lord. This is the Falaknama express photographs
मैं ट्रेन में देखिनी फोटोग्राफ देखिनी मो से ट्रेन रे 10 टा ट्रैवल करछि फोटोग्राफ दरकार नहीं
गोटे मिनिट my lord गोटे मिनिट
फोटोग्राफ कोन व्हाट यू वांट टू शो देखिनु ना
another affidavit my lord
कौन से
they have given my lord
कौन अछि इतरे
my lord
हजार टा डॉक्यूमेंट देखि
my lord
इतरे कौन व्हाट यू वांट टू
my lord photo number 1 my lord photo number 1 my lord photo उठे गइছিল my lord Falaknama express
कार फोटो
my lord अछि ता my lord
एटा देखिया मते
my lord photo number 1 my lord गनाई हसंतनी जनकर ମାନେ ପରିବାରର କଥା
ନା ଏଥିପାଇଁ ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି
ମାଇଲର ଫଟୋ ନମ୍ବର 1 ମାଇଲର କାଇଣ୍ଡ ହାଭ୍ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ମାଇଲର ଫଟୋ ଯଦି ଡୋର ଟା ମାଇଲର ଓପନ ବନ୍ଦ ନ ହବ ୱାଶ ବେସିନ କୁ କେହି ଯାଇ ପାରିବେନି ମାଇଲର ୱାଶ ବେସିନ ଟା
କିଏଟା କହିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ମାଇଲର
ବେକାର କଥା କୁହନ୍ତି
ଫଟୋ ମାନେ ଡୋର ଯଦି ଓପନ ହେଇଗଲା ୱାଶ ବେସିନ ଟା ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ଡୋର ଟା ପୁରା କଭର
କିଏ କହିଲା ସବୁ ଟ୍ରେନ ର ପୋଜିଶନ ସମାନ ନୁହେଁ
ମାଇଲର ଫଲକନାମା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ ର ଫଟୋଟା
ଫଲକନାମା କଥା ବି
ମାଇଲର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମାଇଲର ସେ ଯୋଉ ମଝିର ବାଟଟା ମାଇଲର
ଏତେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ
କାଇଣ୍ଡ ହାଭ୍ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ
ବିଲକୁଲ
ମାଇଲର ସେଟା 30 ମାଇଲର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମାଇଲର ସେ
ନଟ୍ ଏ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ
ମାଇଲର ଏତିକି ଯେ ଯୋଡେ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାଇଲର
you have filed in writ petition you are not supposed to go to trial
Mylord, kindly have a glance, Mylord. Mylord, in the page 8, your lordship, in the affidavit, Mylord. This is a third party investigation, your lordship. Tankara police department or Belda police, Mylord, investigation question, Mylord. Mylord, during the investigation, to came to learn that the ASI Tinath Hoi, Samedar Patra, Jamaja, Bhadra Town Police Station, Odisha, we are returning to the victim girl and accused Amrit Puhan, my lord.
लेकिन से अलगा स्टेट से पुलिस से जानी लेकिन लिखी देला कौन टाइम लगता
my lord, kindly have a glance, my lord.
किसी सब्सटेंशियल अच्छी ले कौन
my lord अच्छी my lord
एक केस रे इतने समय मु देलिनी
my lord
till that I have not found anything that is
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖି ମାଇଲର ମାଇଲର ଖଡଗପୁର ଟ୍ରେନ ଛାଡିଲା ପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ନେକ୍ସଟ ଷ୍ଟପେଜ ଅଛି ମାଇଲର ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ମାଇଲର ଏଠୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅଛି ମାଇଲର 81 କିଲୋମିଟର ମାଇଲର 81 କିଲୋମିଟର ମାଇଲର କଭର କରିବାକୁ ମାଇଲର
they said not 81 they pull the chain से जाओ 15 किलोमीटर
माइलर ମୁଁ ପୁରା ମାନେ ଡିटेल्स ଜାଣିଛି
चेन काम करेनी
डिटेल्स ଜାଣିଛି ମାଇଲର 81 କିଲୋମିଟର ମାଇଲର 11:43 ମାନେ ଦିନ ବେଳେ ସେଠି ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ମାଇଲର 8ଟା ହଉଛି ଇମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି
let me tell you this is not a trial court don't go by like a trial court
ସେ ଯୋଉ
prima facie I don't find anything wrong with the police has not done anything
ମାଇଲର ତାଙ୍କ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ସେ ମରିଛି ମାଇଲର
ତାଙ୍କ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ମୋଟେ ସେ ତ arrest ହେଇନି କଷ୍ଟଡି କୋଡେ
they are police officer they are not arrested ମାଇଲର they are on duty ମାଇଲର
on duty ତ କଣ
ମାଇଲର ତାକୁ ଧରିକି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସି ମାଇଲର ଯୋଟା ମାଇଲର
ओके ऑर्डर रिजर्व आओ अधिक सुनिबेनी बहुत सुना हैगला
माइलर
तीन चार थर सुनि साइलेनी एक केस
माइलर अक्यूज पुलिस माने निजे लेखुछन माइलर एफिडेविट रे माइलर
सब दिए जहां तुम लेखिया कथा दे दिए मते ऑर्डर रिजर्व है जस्ट गिव मी a written submission I order I have already spent so much time in this case
माइलर
3-4 दिन सुनी एमन को दी थर डाकेलिनी
माइलर
आउ केते आउ अधिक समय दिस केस डजंट डिजर्व टू बी हर्ड so
माइलर सेमान को संगरे से आसुची
माइलर अरेस्ट करि नथिले
माइलर सेमान फॉल्स माइलर
will you hear me
माइलर
if they were not arrested how can you call it
arrested माइलर
no माइलर not arrested
they are admitted in the affidavit your lordship
anywhere
माइलर in the CRLB affidavit they are admitted that he is accused your lordship
not admitted that arrest FIR copy can देखेलेनी देखो
हमको से दउना हती माइलर
देबेनी
हमको दउना हती माइलर माइलर
आपन का ना नहीं
when FIR is law जदी बाय चांस ଗୋଟେ अननोन लोकटे ताको के नहीं जाइछो
ना जदी FIR ने आपन अरेस्ट
माइलर जदी occurrence ता जोटे हैछि
you give your written submission
माइलर
that's all okay order reserve next
item 70
personal appearance
personal appearance of the officers of the
70 Rajman paper pass over
70 some other day
pass over
some other day madam because I have some personal document I want to
केबे
any day you lost
some other day आपण कहबे ना any day वाला मु काली देबी आ काली आसीबे
tomorrow madam
tomorrow करन day after tomorrow day after tomorrow
at 2 p.m.
item 69 pardon my lord
69
my lord sir mediation पई आपण my lord पठेई थिले mediation 28/11 को रही छि फर्स्ट डेट रे हेई पाइले
ठीक अछि 28 पर डेट रे दे दा
आज्ञा 28/11 पर डेट
मो
69 लिखा है कि पढ़ी नहीं तो
कोन
69 मेंशन करने 69 टेक अप है
सर आसीने 69 तो सर्वर होल हबो ठीक है वेट कर
सॉरी मैम
ठीक है बी देयर एट होम घर तो अच्छे कोन सीधा ठीक है जाओ आसीबो आफ्टर 10-15 मिनट रिच
passed over matter item number 20
there was an advertisement as opposed by three for the fill up the Anganwadi helper post miller. By the annexer. By the
कौन
annexer.
है कौन से एनेक्सर छाड़ନ୍ତୁ
Sir, though this 97 SAG group and women has casted a vote in favor of the petitioner, but Rejola declined openly, but no appointment order has been issued till now, my lord. The petitioner filed a repentant.
selected
Yeah.
selected but appointment has
Not issued.
You take instruction, Mr. Pongmont, Land Council of the state to take instruction as to why the petitioner has not been appointed, those he has been selected by the
Right.
Gram, what is it called? Gram Sabha.
Gram Sabha.
Gram Sabha. List the matter on fifth. Fifth. Next.
Item 28.
28.
That selection of NGO, my lord, as a facilitating agency, Mr. Moond was asking for time. Now I have challenged the second selection, my lord, during pendency of the first writ application, wherein the interim order was passed to stay operation of the order, and the order was not to give any effect the order of selection. Thereafter, issuing fresh advertisement, my lord, they have initiated a process and selected the same persons, same NGOs who were selected in the previous occasion.
ଯଦି ସେତିକି ଲୋକ ଥିବେ ଅଧିକା ଲୋକ ନୂଆ ଲୋକ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିନଥିବେ କାହାକୁ କରିବେ ଆଉ କୋଉଠୁ ଯାଇକି ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରମାରୁ ଆଣିବେ
My humble submission.
ଯିଏ ଥିବ ତାକୁ ଆଣିବେ ଆଉ ତ ଅଲଗା କୋଉ ଗ୍ରହରୁ ଆଣିବେନି ନା
ନାଇଁ ଗ୍ରହରୁ ଆଣିବେନି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପ୍ରଥମ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇକିରି ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ ଅପରେସନ ଟା ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇକିରି ଅଛି ଏବଂ ସେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ରେ ପାଲପେବଲ ଇରେଗୁଲାରିଟି ଅଛି collector has appeared in person and he has also filed a counter affidavit. Matter is sub judice. So same process आरंभ कर देगी fresh process. My humble submission is the selection was
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ matter ଟା sub judice ଥିବ ବୋଲି ଆଉ ସେଠି ଆଉ କାମ ହବନି କିଛି କରିବେନି ଆଉ ଫିର sub judice ତା stay ତ ଲାଗିନି ନା
ହଁ stay ଥିଲା ନା
stay ଥିଲା
Selection stay ହେଲା but that we have pursuant to that stay order we have not worked out that selection process. In the meantime the state government decided to cancel entire thing as due to poor
infrastructure ହେଇଗଲା ସେଟା
that is
stay ମାନେ କଣ ଯଦି state government work out କଲା
that is your lordship kindly have a glance.
sir court stay କରିଦେବ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆଗରୁ ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ପଡି ରହିଥିବ court stay ବୋଲି ସେ ଆଉ କିଛି କାମ ହବନି ସେଠି ଆଉ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହବନି ଲୋକ କାମ ପାଇବେନି କିଛି ଲୋକ ଯାହା ବେନିଫିସିଆରୀ ମାନେ କିଛି ପାଇବେନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଟା 5 years ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା 5 years ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ultimately successful ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ସେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରେ I would have continued.
Pursuant to new advertisement again he appeared.
ଆପଣ new advertisement
they deliberately more field verification colony because I filed the previous writ application and that was sub judice. Se deliberately field verification colony ki mo dakili de सबु कम मार्क देकर मते आज्ञा डिस्क्वालिफाई कर देले देख सेही जो तीन जण प्रीवियसली थिले सेमानु सिलेक्ट करले मु आज्ञा प्रेफरेंस पाया कथा बिकॉज़ आई बिलोंग टू दैट एरिया I have worked there but somebody
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି କିଛି ଅଛି
प्रेफरेंस अछि आज्ञा एडवर्टाइजमेंट रो अछि प्रेफरेंस
गाइडलाइन रे अछि କିଛି
आज्ञा प्रेफरेंस अछि
वे लोकल मैन
आज्ञा हम पढ़ दूची उछि आज्ञा मैंडेटरी criteria of the NGO to be selected as FA as mentioned below. Number 3 should have a minimum of 3 years of work experience within the district on agriculture and allied activities with community organizations and or farmer producers organizations beyond capacity building or marketing. Experience of working in the proposed block will be preferred. I have worked in the block of both. Additional experience
why
or
you
millet
not take any additional experience
That pleading party concerned first time this matter has come. I'll obtain instruction.
Lord Council of the state to take instruction as to why the present petitioner who belongs to the local area and has got the local experience been excluded from the zone of consideration, whereas the people from the other areas have been selected. You take instruction, Lord Council of the state to take instruction on this. This is the matter on fifth rest. Let it come on
fifth. No, let it be. ସବୁ ହେଇଛି clearly ଜଣେ ଯୋଉ ଯିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜମା apply କରିନି he has been selected. ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା white was everything they have done it.
The legal petition also submits that there are some parties who have one part
one party.
Data already cancelled.
No, no, that is
That is
that rehabilitation. They are, in order to why do I say?
sir, I said ଦେଖିବାନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
let him take instruction ନା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ interim prayer କରୁଛି
କଣ?
ସେ ରିଲିଜ କରିବେନି ଫଣ୍ଡ ରିଲିଜ କରିଦେଲେ ଏନଜିଓ ଗୁଡାକୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୁଣି
ଫଣ୍ଡ ରିଲିଜ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ବନ୍ଦ କରିବେ ମ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ର ହେଲା
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଟା ହେଇଛି
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ବିଲକୁଲ ସେଇ ଷ୍ଟେ ଆଶା କରିବିନି ମୋଠୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପ୍ରୋସେସ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତେ
ମୁଁ କହୁନି
ସବୁ କାମ ହଲ୍ଟ କାଇଁ ହେବ
ଡେଲି
board should not prejudice to any party ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବେନିଫିଟ ପାଇବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ହଇରାଣ ହେବ ନା ସେମିତି ହେବନି
ମୋ intention ବି ନୁହଁ।
prejudice ହଉନି ତାହେଲେ ଓକେ ପାସ୍ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
ମାଲାଫାଇଡି ସେ
Not Malapadi, I have not decided yet. I have not reached to the conclusion there has been Malapadi.
Yes.
I have not really decided. Once decided, I will see that.
if the selection process will go then
Of course it will go. Why should it be stopped? ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କାମ ହଉଛି ସେ କାମ just because some disgruntled men could not get that ସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଥିବ କେମିତି କେମିତି
2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା।
ସିଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ନା ନା
they have done the irregularity. That's why fixing it to fit.
ରେଗୁଲାରିଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଖିରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଆଖିରେ ରେଗୁଲାରିଟି ନୁହେଁ ମୋ ଆଖିରେ କଣ I don't know. That's again what
They are admitting that is why they have
like
said that
beauty lies in beholder's eye, irregularity lies in competitor's eye.
here well they have admitted the collector virtually admitted everything and said that my predecessor did it so
We'll see that, sir.
that's why fixing it to fifth.
Next.
42.
Yes.
Prepared a date chart for your lordship convenience.
What is the issue?
The impugned order, my lord finds
Sir,
that
dead chat sign ଗୋଟେ argument note ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି dead chat ଟେ ଦେଇଦେ ସେ dead chat ମାନେ କିଛି ନଥାଏ isolated dead chat ମାନେ ଦିଆ ହୁଏ ସେଠି କିଛି ଲେଖନ୍ତିନି ଆଉ କମ ସେ କମ argument ତ ଟିକେ 1 2 3 4 5 what is your point best point you should have.
I'll prepare and give it, my lord. If your lordship wants, your lordship may adjourn the matter, otherwise.
No, I'm not adjourning. Just I'm telling everybody should give this kind of I mean dead chat
Right.
dead chat 9 it is it is the argument note.
Yes, lord.
Along with dead chat that should come not only dead chat.
But the
We
impugned
have
order.
that habit.
Okay.
Dead chat ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ argument
Yes,
note ବନେଇକି ଦଉଛୁ
yes, madam.
ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଠିକି କାଇଁ ହବ
Then we'll. The impugned order, my lord finds at Annexure 9 at page 27.
What is the issue?
The petitioner was serving as a Gram Rozgar Sevak in a Gram Panchayat, my lord. Her services has been disengaged by
Why?
by the collector.
Why?
My lord, the facts of the case is that a play field was supposed to be constructed, my lord.
Okay.
And allegation is that although the laborers were not hired, but in the master role which has been entered wrongfully by the present petitioner,
machine ଲଗେଇକିରି ଅମିତାଭ ବଚ୍ଚନ ଜିତେନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାଁ ରଖା ହେଇଥିଲା
a false master role. The allegation
again.
Annexure 418 is this is the show cause notice. First time the show cause notice is issued to me by the block development officer Jaipur, my lord. An ombudsman report has been the inquiry report has been annexed. Your lordship may turn to page 19, the next page.
I'm there.
Your lord would see at clause 2, serial number 2, my lord, details of the opposite parties. The Panchayat Extension Officer, Junior Engineer / GPTA, that is Gram Panchayat Technical Assistant, my lord. The Junior Engineer is also designated as GPTA. Gram Rozgar Sevak, GRS of Jaingiri Gram Panchayat. The Block Development Officer. Your lordship, interestingly, your lordship, next page, page 20, recommendation. Page 20, my lord,
it is found during the field inquiry.
It was found during the field inquiry, spot verification and hearing of the cases that without work, rupees 25,739.30 has been transferred to the account of the job card holders that violates MGNERGA. The Panchayat Executive Officer, the Gram Rozgar Sevak of Jaingiri Gram Panchayat, and the respective GPTA / Junior Engineer were found to be involved directly on this misappropriation.
So all the people have been disengaged?
Nothing, my lord.
Why is one person
only selective when a stepmotherly attitude has been.
If everybody is
this is completely discriminatory and violation of Article 14.
Allegation against all the people. Why one person is picked because he's a poor person?
2,000 rupees, my lord. Only 2,000 rupees. That is the
question. Is not 2,000
yes,
or 1,000. It is
of
1
equality.
Corruption even for 1 rupee.
Yes,
that is also to be taken into consideration. Question is why there is a
A
choose a-
selective procedure has been adopted.
Though we have filed the counter, so far as this allegation is concerned.
This is the main allegation, sir.
No, the main allegation is not that. As
It
he has
is.
discussed, he has challenged
So
the
it-
disengagement order. not on
Maybe,
this
of
ground.
course, what will challenge that? He will
Well,
challenge the disciplinary order only.
Disengagement not on this ground.
Even if not ground,
Well-
sir, this is a serious issue. A
Well,
person,
that-
if a person, so many persons are instigated by the
I'll take
your what is that? Lokayukta, ombudsman. Then why one person will be?
I'll take
targeted?
instruction to that effect. Only that. to
Now the
that-
concept of the petitioner submits that as per the Lokayukta report, Lokayukta?
No,
Ombudsman.
No, ombudsman report, sorry. Ombudsman report. It was found, it was found that the Panchayat Executive Officer, Gram Rozgar Sabak of Jagiri GP, GPTA, all persons were found to be engaged in recommending the work without recommended the work, which is the point of contention in the present case. He further submits that though other persons' name have been instigated, they have been alleged to have committed the said fraud, the petitioner has been singled out
Yes, sir.
while awarding punishment.
Initiating a disciplinary proceeding, my lord.
Okay, initiating a disciplinary proceedings, which is contravention to Article 14 of the Constitution of India. You are consider the state to take instruction on this issue. Okay, take instruction.
May I pray for a short date, my lord?
Fifth, sixth, fourth or
Fourth.
a small instruction. This matter can be
Because pleadings are over, my lord.
pleadings as a कौन था इतने छोटा issue तो
Fourth, my lord.
fourth.
Copy the agent.
Next
46.
46. Mr. Roy, you are representing which are the banks you are representing?
My lord, I'm there for a few other banks also.
Which
but,
are the bank? Please, can you
Axis,
give it?
Axis Bank.
Maybe can you give me this? Because sometimes we don't find people, so we can call you directly. Take the number and the banks. Can you just give me a paper together? And also some other number if you are busy in some court. So you
Yes,
give
sir,
me a
I'll give
number,
you associate's number also.
2-3 numbers, yeah, so that you can. I would have Yes, next.
Your lordship, please kindly see the annexure 1. At page
कौन है जी कौन तो हम annexure 1 पर नहीं है straight come to the point.
Sir,
अब टिकेट तड़को करन तो सुबिन नेटे मोटाटा कोन छै ना सुबिन किछि बनी खोलन तो कोरोना नहीं आउ खोलन
Sir, as per your scheme, gold, sovereign gold bond.
गाड़ी तो पूरा दाढ़ी तड़को खसुन
Sir, मुझे काट दी पूरा.
बस अब कौन
Sovereign gold
कोई
scheme
साला पर लगे दे
2016-17 was launched by the opposite party number 1, and
Yes.
accordingly, the petitioner deposited 15,750 by the year 2018, 16-17. And
yeah, for the bank.
There is there is gold scheme loan. The percentage, the 2.75% per month, per annum, per month. 2.75%.
The sovereign gold bond.
Gold bond scheme.
So what is the problem?
2.75% रे ସେମାନେ ସୁଧ ଦେବେ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କର
କେତେ କେତେ
2.75 2.75
सर 75 कौन दिन 75 कौन दिन
75
हां पर पॉइंट रहला ना 75 वाला बोले जो
सर 75
मैथमेटिक्स
मैथमेटिक्स गणित को रे 75 से ऊपर से अकॉर्डिंगली
point 2.75%. So what is your difficulty? What is your difficulty?
Difficulty is in the last occasion say redemption କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ notification କଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏ ପଇସାଟା before maturity ସେମାନେ ନେଇ ପାରିବେ ସେଟା annexure କରିଛି ସେ
So you want money to be, you want to take money?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା 23/3/23 ରେ ସେମାନେ redemption ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କଲେ gold bond issued on please can you see the line see at page 12 annexure fees gold bonds issued on 23rd October 2017
What is the difficulty in redemption? Is there any
The fact is that he is the borrower of the bank. Borrower of the bank. Now the outstanding is 2,14,86,000 today.
And
he
wants to redeem the amount.
What he did, he tried to encash that money, that gold money, to his account, and through one check he tried to transfer it. Bank stopped that account.
Sir, that is not point.
Then tell me what is the point?
Sir, original point is to be noted before this court. Is there any proof that says जो account रे पैसा support दिया था जल्दी हला ताले bank काहे की सेटा sir it is a different footing loan आसीतला
आमु कहबी sir आपण जे बैंक लोन रिटर्न न करिवे रिफंड न करिवे आपण जो अकाउंट थियो सब बोटो they have the right to even close the sorry freeze all those accounts
sir को
सेटु पैसा उड़ेबे
आज्ञा सेटा पुणी प्रोविजन होबा दरकार ना खाली तो मन को कहि देले हबनी से ब्लॉक कर देबे माने जहा हाथ रे छुरी ताहा काकुडी सेमति केमति होबो तांगा हाथ विदाउट टेकिंग परमिशन
आपण कोन सही बैंक रे सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट
now answer his question. How can you have churi and what is that? What did he say something?
Churi jata.
Churi ଆଉ କାକୁଡି ଭିତରେ sir
churi
ପରିମିଶନ ଛୁରୀ କାକୁଡି କେମିତି କଟା ଯିବ କାକୁଡି ବଳିତା ହେଲେ ବି କଟା ଯାଇ ପାରିବ
କାକୁଡି ଛୁରୀ କେମିତି ହେଲା କୋନ
ସୁକି ବଳିତା ହେଇ
କୋ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ରେ କାକୁଡି ଛୁରୀ କୁ ଏକା
ସେଟା ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ସେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଯେତେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ତାର ଥିଲା ଲୋନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ତ ତାର
sir is not the question is on which rule regulation notification on what basis you have frozen
bank has the lien.
What lien, sir?
Over the account, the SB account. Is he tried to transfer the amount from the SB account? That is 29,000. Outstanding is 2 crores. When the account become NPA, bank freeze that account, that SB account, SB account, so that he cannot transfer the amount, any amount. So that amount is there.
No, but that freezing action is that flows from where?
Froze.
से एक्शन टा कोड पाइले आपण माने को रूल रेगुलेशन को उधर पाइले
The bank has the right of lien.
अरे सर राइट ऑफ लियन ते केमती आला
that I will show that I will with that
show some document.
I'll show that I
know that you are right also you are absolutely right but show some document.
I'll show that circular to that.
Otherwise his kakudi churi theory will be
but he is not interested to pay the 2 crore.
That is different issue. Sir, pending
not different.
Sir, एक चीज ये तो चोरी के ऊपर सुना चोरी नहीं चलेगा सीना चोरी आप सुना चोरी कर रहे हो आप
सर सेटा को पड़नी से कहउछन जे ऑर्डर बैंक
आपण एक तो लोन नेबे फेरेबे नहीं तापरे सब
नहीं सर कोन लोन हेची कोन हेची सर पेंडिंग बिफोर द एप्रोप्रिएट कोर्ट
कोर्ट एप्रोप्रिएट कोर्ट
सर अब ट्रिब्यूनल अछि
जान दो
सिविल कोर्ट से केस नहीं
चारटा केस
से जो केस कथा उठाउछंती से जो बैंक लोन कथा उठाउछंती जो 2 कोटी केते टंका कथा
ट्रिब्यूनल नेट काहे छिन ताले
आगे
अब ट्रिब्यूनल मैटर पड़ी छिन काहे छिन
नहीं सर
एथि मैटर ट्रिब्यूनल रे पड़ी ताले काहे छिन
नहीं आसी मो पैसाटा से माने
ब्लॉक पैसा किछि सुनाबन अब जान ट्रिब्यूनल से सब कथा सेठी रेज करियो लगा
मतलब रीड पिटिशन अछि एटी रीड पिटिशन
दे हैव टू
को रीड पिटिशन दिस नंबर जानतु सब एका से
that रीड पिटिशन disposed of
disposed of depending काहे कहउछन ताले
नहीं that was disposed of
disposed of what
नहीं सर डिस्पोज है
direction to the bank that to bank to proceed
सर बिच
with the property
डिस्पोज है नहीं
बैंक में
नहीं केस एपे पेंडिंग अछि
सर अननेसेसरी मोर संग आर्गु करन
नहीं सर डिस्पोज है नहीं
डिस्पोज ना है तो आई एम लिस्ट बोदर अबाउट डिस्पोज इफ द मैटर इज पेंडिंग बिफोर द ट्राइब्यूनल वी गो एंड जस्ट परस्यू योर मैटर बिफोर द ट्राइब्यूनल नंबर कते कोन
ट्राइब्यूनल नंबर 559 OA number 559 or 2021
okay learn counsel to the bank submit that since the matter is completed before the tribunal the petitioner should approach the tribunal to pursue the matter according to the petitioner is not able to approach the tribunal to pursue the matter and according to disposal. Next
item 48
page number Next.
My lord.
कितना नंबर था?
48.
48. Yes, what is this?
This is a, your lordship asked me to
My
explain
lord,
the
difference,
NBFC and the bank difference.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, what is the difference between the two?
My lord,
NBFC and bank.
NBFC registered under the company at 1956, and banking is the government bank. Government.
Banking the government.
My lord, the banks followed by the RBI guideline. So
NBFC also follows the RBI guideline.
My lord,
Who told in the policy?
NBFC. My lord,
Basic difference for Charlie. Basic.
My lord,
What is the
NBFC
definition of a bank? Tell me. What is the definition of a bank?
My lord, bank accept the DD and giving a loan. Accept the demand deposit. My lord.
Demand deposit. Okay.
Demand deposit and provide the loan.
All deposits are demand deposit only. So banking
And
bank is
NBFC
an
not
institution that accepts the deposit and advances
advance
loan.
loans. Sorry.
That is what bank.
Look.
NBFC তাহলে কম করে basic.
And he cannot accept the deposit and underwriting of the security, he giving the loan to the
conflict simple very key no layman bujila wala layman din bujibo simple.
My lord, NBFC not accept the DD but demand drafts.
Deposit doesn't accept deposit. Only advances loan.
Only.
Where from they get money to advance loan?
Lordship.
Where from they get money to advance loan? पैसा तो गुरुड़ पहले तो लोन देबो.
हाँ my lord, is the deposit under securities से किसी customer के security रखी loan टा ना वो. Customer के किसी property की किसी security रखी के loan टा ना वो.
आउरे वाले पड़े है नहीं. को बैंक टा को section आसे को act bank को govern करे banking activity को govern करे.
Sorry, Lord.
Which are the acts that governs the banking activities? Should read it. When will you read? This is the time to read. Pachara padivani. Abhi padivai chha. Anyway, yes, now tell me.
Last occasion, you also directed to take instruction whether the financial company is willing to settle the account.
My lord, I received the instruction.
Come with a proposal. But this
my lord, instruction is on dated 7/11/2023 till 14 lakhs something is outstanding is there. My lord, bank is agreed to 11,92,000.
Take the advantage and go.
But I agree. I am just. I have taken loan 6,02,000 rupees for. I understand. I'm not asking on that. I am only saying that the bank people is non-official state that will be with the principal. There's some
unofficial.
No, non-official. But why I'm saying annexure 1 is pending, that may be considered and pass a order. That is what my.
What is annexure 1?
Annexure 1 is I am requesting the finance unit to dispose to consider my case on the OTS proposal. That will be
what their proposal.
That is oral proposal. But
where is the written? They given you letter.
No, not is the tradition.
Instruction.
Instruction region, but it is higher the amount 11 lakhs because my instruction is that not consider the guideline issued by the government of India where they are.
अपने मना करिए तब अपना पुणी आउट राउंड आउट आसी.
नहीं आसी सही पे में कुछ they may be directed to consider my representation and pass the order.
The case land council petitioner 6 submits that let the representation of the present petitioner before the
annexure 1 is pending.
Under the annexure 1 be disposed of within a period of 15 days from today.
Yes, by giving an opportunity to the petitioner so that he can.
By affording an opportunity to the petitioner.
Yes.
Put forth the
that is
financial difficulty before the bank, and if the bank finds that the offer of the present petitioner is reasonable one, the bank may accept.
Yes.
Or else the bank is free to take go ahead with the matter in accordance with the law.
Yes. Much appreciated.
What is your name? Just give me name. Read it properly. Huh? Bank, non-banking finance corporation. which are the acts govern them, who is the regulator, how the regulator regulates, all these things. Next, again, Pachari. Hala? Next,
Item 58.
58.
I have filed rejoinder today.
You file rejoinder today.
Yes,
So you want on
2 weeks.
12th December. Okay, next. 59.
59 urgent.
Again, 60.
60.
60.
I have received the counter on 15th.
So you want to file the rejoinder.
I reserved my right to file rejoinder, but before that, prior to that, I have.
ଆପଣ reserve right reserve ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଫଟାଫଟ before that after that ନାହିଁ
Rejoinder time.
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫଟାଫଟ ହେଲା
Yes, sir.
land council petitioner seeks to file the rejoinder ଆଉ right reserve କରିବେ କଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
Admit କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ମୁଁ
ସେ ଯାହା ବି କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ କରନ୍ତୁ I am giving you opportunity 1 week time is granted list the matter on 11th 13
नहीं 30 କହୁଥିଲି
30 ଏତେ ଆଲି ହବନି next
61.
61
My honor, on behalf of Mr. Bimbisar Das, I pray kindly grant 3 weeks time to file the rejoinder.
Okay, land council for this petitioner 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. This the matter on 21st.
Yes, sir. My honor.
21st.
Yes, my honor.
December. Next.
Item 63.
63.
Request file late kindly accepted. Solicitor directed to file. File कर दीजिए. Solicitor directed to file by third.
Petitioner submits that he has filed the request late. Let the request be accepted by the registry. List the matter on 7. If any urgency, you can ask for earlier.
No.
No problem.
Yes. On 7th.
7, no problem. Okay. Next.
Item 64.
64.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, as per the previous.
Yeah, for petitioner.
Petitioner.
What is the issue?
This is a compensation issue, compensation matter. Last time.
Compensation from?
HPCL.
HPCL.
Gas accident issue.
Gas leakage.
Yeah, gas leakage. Lordship, on last occasion, the opposite party, number 3 had.
Yeah, for the bank.
No, my
sorry, I'm so sorry.
HPCL.
HPCL.
Unfortunately, my lord, after the opposite party number 3 filed the counter, they found in the inquiry that the petitioner is the consumer of the BPCL. That's it.
So you have appearing
Let me,
HPCL.
my lord, what has happened in this case, my lord, he has filed this case claiming compensation for the death of his daughter, my lord, due to gas leak, gas burn case, my lord. But after getting the notices from this honorable court in this case, my lord, we have inquired into the matter and found that he is not a customer of HPCL but BPCL. So we have filed this subscription.
So you implead BPCL as a part
that's what, my lord, he has to.
With a due permission.
Okay, land council the petitioner 6. Implead the BPCL as the party respondent. Since the petitioner had the gas connection from BPCL and not HPCL.
We have filed, you have given the document.
HPCL
2 and 3.
That is rule 9.
No, role OP number 2 and 3 may be, my lord, deleted, my lord, because of that.
That's right.
Yes.
According to the OP number 2 and 3 may be deleted. You implement them at party, file an application. Okay, after that we'll see.
Yes, my lord.
Listen.
I'm applying for OP number 1.
29th.
In India.
Madam, my name is kind.
Your name will be reflected or deleted. So deleted, na?
No, my name, my lord, as a council.
No, I'm saying.
Yes,
if you are getting deleted, so your name.
No, in the order, my lord.
Today.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for OP number 1 in this matter.
No one, Miss J. Sahu.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No.
Obliged.
Next. 65.
65.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lordship, on the previous occasion, issue was noticed against the informant.
Sorry,
Notice was issued against the informant.
informant.
Yes, my lordship.
Anybody has appeared? None.
No, my lordship.
Should we give a chance?
No, my lordship, already
I will take notice, I will through local police. I
To
will.
local police. So
My
one,
lordship, it's already like 3 years and 2 months is already is in custody. My lordship, all the
last occasion, when was the notice issue?
it's issued on 10th of November.
Year?
Yes, my lordship.
This year.
Yes.
This year.
Yes.
10th, na?
Yes. No, my lordship, I'm saying notice was issued in November 10.
In November 10 or on November 10?
On November
Ah.
10. Sorry.
In 2023.
Yes.
So, this is 10, 12 days. Just one
My
chance to
lordship,
give.
only thing is that there are 23 numbers of witnesses are there.
Okay, I'm giving you a short date.
Everyone was examined by the trial court, by the special court SCO3.
So, what, everyone?
Yes, my lordship.
None left.
No, my lordship, none left.
So then they will, the trial is over then.
Yes, my
The
lordship.
argument after argument will be. So, anybody has
My
said
lordship,
anything, said anything about you?
no, my lordship.
No.
Excluding the informant, there is no one.
Okay. You have been there in custody
Custody
since?
in 3 years and 2 months.
What is the offense?
My lordship, offense under section 376(2)(n), 365(34), along with.
Let's give one chance as the last chance, okay? Last chance as the last chance. Let a press notice be issued through the local police station. Lord Constable, this petitioner is directed to serve the copy on the Constable of the state. Give a
My
copy.
lordship, copy has already been served.
Ebbe agde de den. Achi?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is so generous. You should appreciate. I'm giving a short date. Let's list the matter on 29th. 29th, next week.
Obliged, my lordship.
Next,
Item 67.
67,
Lord, 66, I am on my mention. but it does-
66. 67,
Petitioners.
66.
Madam.
Yes.
The brother of the petitioner was brutally murdered.
Who?
The brother of the informant.
Daughter of the informant.
Yes,
Okay.
brother of the informant was brutally murdered. And the accused with the cognizance was taken, trial was commenced. And while trial was commenced, my lord, the allegation who is the main accused, your lordship, he was brought on record invoking 319 CRPC. Even if allegation was there before in the record. So thereafter, my lord, it was challenged. Since 2017, your lordship, 2018 it is pending and trial is not proceeding.
Because of this
Because
to
of
and
this
fro,
matter. Yes,
to and fro
My-
journey from High Court
my-
to trial court.
my lord.
So today,
And on my mentioning, my lord, it had come.
today, what is the issue?
It urgent is first
Urgent is
petition or urgent appeal council for
12
the appeal.
12 December.
12 December.
There was in fact no interim order.
So who is the opposite party?
His petitioner is, my lord, I am for the informant. I am for the,
We are for the
my
informant.
lord.
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ତଳ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏତେ?
But I am the opposite partner too because my brother was brutally murdered.
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ତା ଉପରେ ହବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ
Trial ହବ ଯେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବିହାସ କିଛି କରିବେ
2017
ଏ
ମସିହା
ହବ ଟାଇମ ଲାଗୁଛି କେସ ରେ ଆଉ କେତେ କେସ ଏମିତି
ହଁ ସେଟା ଠିକ ଯେ
ଦେଶରେ ଅନେକ କେସ ଏମିତି ପଡିଛି ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ହବାକୁ ପଡିଛି
2017 ରୁ
17 ମାତ୍ର ନା ଓନ୍ଲି 5
ଛଅ ବର୍ଷ।
ଯାର 7 ବର୍ଷ 8 ବର୍ଷ 15 ବର୍ଷ ପଡିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଆପଣ
Still
not
then you will
petitioner
also-
sir you are not petitioner you are nobody you are nobody you are
I
just
want-
stepping into the shoes of the
state.
Amba-
Yes, your lordship. But fact
ତା
remains,
ୱେରେ ହବ can't be.
but there is no interim order. If your lordship interim order con extension ହେଇଛି, earlier interim order was not there.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିନି ମୋର ମତେ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଆପିୟର କରିଛି
ଆପଣ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ପିଟିସନର
ସରି ପିଟିସନର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ସକାଳେ ଟାଇମ ନେଇଥିଲେ।
ମୋ ପାୱାର ଅଛି ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା 29 ତାରିଖ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
12 December ଆଉ କେତେ ଦିନ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ 12 ରେ ଆସିବେ ଆଉ
ସେଟା ଠିକ ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ମୁଁ appear କରିଛି ମୋର ପାୱାର ଅଛି।
ହେଲା ଆପଣ ପାୱାର ଅଛି ପାୱାର ତ ରହିଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ ପାୱାର କି ନେଇକି
Interim order may not be extended. That is my prayer.
ଆସୁ ଦେଖିବା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଆସିବେ ଆପଣ ପାୱାର ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆସିବେ ଆଉ
Yeah, murder case, your lordship, your lordship. So concept.
I understand sir but here nobody here at best you are stepping the shoes of the state nothing else.
That's true. The still then my lord, notice has been issued to me and I have appeared. I have the
Notice
duty
is
my lord, to assist to your lordship.
that is the procedure you have to follow.
My lord.
But let's see.
And
Unless
fact that on my mentioning
let
that
the
case was-
petitioner come and see.
Therefore, I pray short date may be given.
12 sir ବେଶୀ ଲମ୍ବା ଡେଟ୍ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଆଉ କେତେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବି
29 ତାରିଖ କହୁଥିଲି।
ନା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 12 ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଯଦି ବେଶୀ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛି ଆଉ 3 ମାସ 4 ମାସ ଦିଆଯାଏ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଯିବେ ମିନିମମ୍ 67
This is that matter, my lords, wherein a prayer prayed for release of the seized scrap.
Yes,
Which has
yes.
been rejected. State had taken an adjournment.
So what is your instruction, sir?
Lordship on last occasion directed me to go through the LCR, verify what is the relationship between the present petitioner and along with that the person from whom it has been seized, my lord. These two are two brothers, my lord. The present petitioner and the person from whom the copper.
But the copper, was it in the question of the did it come under the in the purview of the case? Copper is not that.
It was just seized.
See, maybe see, ଗୋଟେ ଘରକୁ ଆପଣ ଯାଇଥିବେ ସପୋଜ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଚୋରି ହେଇଥିବ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଉ ଦିଟା ଗନ୍ ମିଳିଲା ଗନ୍ ଇଏ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଗନ୍ ବି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏସବୁ ଇଲିଗାଲ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ହେଇଛି ଆଉ
That was stolen, that has been identified and taken away by the company. These have not been identified.
If it doesn't come under the purview,
no dispute about it.
Lordship condemned belongs to page 10.
Page 10.
My lord.
Page 10 of the writ petition.
This petition, my lord. Criminal division.
Sorry, criminal division.
Middle portion, my lord.
So many khichdi matters now. Very often audit petition really get confused. Yes.
Not a single document has been attested by anyone and the same are xerox copies and the petitioner.
No, I have only one question. Please answer my
ये
question.
claim କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର
No. I have one question. What is the FIR story? FIR, what was stolen in the FIR? What was mentioned in the FIR that which item was stolen?
Copper cables weighing 140 kilograms.
140 kg, right? So you confined to that. Now why are you going to hear this brother ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ହେଇଥିବ brother କାମ case ଥିବ କଣ we are list brother.
ये फाइल कले केस ट्रायल कोर्ट रे जे सेटा रेस्ट जो अमाउंट टा सेति की बाद रेस्ट जोटा सेटा होची मोर बोली ताकर से कोन बिजनेस करूथिले से घरे जो घरे
जदी से
प्रूफ से करि पाले सेटा ताकर बोली सेटा होची
कोडा
ई जो जिंस प्रॉपर्टी ताकर बोली से जो कपर ओडा का ताकर बोली से प्रूफ किछि करि पारना ट्रायल कोर्ट ट्रायल कोर्ट हैड categorically held that not a single document has been attested by anyone and the same are xerox copies and the petitioner had also failed to produce any document.
So this is you have
purchased no way connected with this.
You have purchased a stolen property.
I have purchased scrap, Miller.
Scrap. So that happened to be a stolen property.
It was no. Stolen property relates to the copper wires.
Copper wire. So that
those were recovered.
That was recovered.
That was recovered. That has
from your godown.
Yes.
How it come to your godown?
Well, that has been recovered. I purchased scrap, Millers. How do I know what is stolen and what is not stolen? And
so now what do you want?
I am not an accused in this case.
Now what do you want?
I want these things to be released in my favor because there is no claimant. This scrap.
No claimant.
No. Who claimed it? The informant never claimed it.
तो फिर की
I have been claiming it from the very beginning.
who is claiming?
ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ସେ ତ ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିପାରିଲେନି।
କଣ ମୁଁ prove କରିବି? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି।
अरे भाई क्लेम तांको गोदाम रो पाइलो के
I
क्लेम
don't
करू
understand the simple thing.
just hold on as I understood you got something from his godown, right? And fortunately or unfortunately there is no claimant, right? So if you have got it from his godown and the stolen property you take it, if you think that was so that 140 kg that doesn't belong to you, he purchased as a scrap. So he purchased as a scrap, but unfortunately that is the stolen item, correct? So he is claiming that 140 kg or the other.
I am claiming 6 ton and 80 kgs, which was scrap, which was
not this 140.
No. Why should I
Then
claim
what is the
that?
problem?
That Vedanta has already taken away.
फिर कौन असुविधा है आपको?
ଅସୁବିଧା ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖଉଛି
ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଯଦି that is not a stolen property, nobody is the claimant, what is the harm? Scrap dealer, let him.
Sir, anybody can come and show that this is my property. That is the only crux. ଏଠି ସେ କୋର୍ଟ ସେଇଗୁଟା ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଦେଖେ ନା ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର ବୋଲି। ସେ ପରଚେଜ
କାହା ଗୋଡାଉନ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଗୋଡାଉନରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହେଲା ଇନଭଏସ ତ ଦେଖେଇବେ ତାଙ୍କର ବୋଲି। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଟ୍ ଇନଭଏସ ଦେଖିବାର କଣ ଅଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସ୍କ୍ରାପ ରେ କଣ ଦେଖେଇବେ? ମୁଁ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ, ଆପଣ ତ ଚେକ୍ କରି ଗଲେ, ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟୋଲେନ୍ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ତ ଯୋଉଟା ନେବା କଥା ନେଇଗଲେ, ତାପରେ ଫିର ସ୍କ୍ରାପ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି କୋଉ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିବେ? If a person has come and that particular stolen property 140 kg whatever जोड़ा ହେଲା ନେଇକି ପଳେଇଲା, ବାକି ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ସେ କାହିଁକି ଦେଖିବେ?
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉଟା କ୍ଲେମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟାକୁ କୋର୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରିକାଲି ସେଟାକୁ ମେନସନ କରିଛି।
ଛାଡ
କୋର୍ଟ ମେନସନ କଲେ କଣ?
ଏ unnecessary ଗୋଟେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। Let the you leave it. Because that is your beyond your mandate. ଆପଣଙ୍କ mandate ବାହାରେ ସେଟା।
ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ତାର ଓନର ବୋଲି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ। ପରେ ଯଦି ଆଉ କିଏ ଆସିବ କ୍ଲେମ କରିବ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ତାର ଓନର ବୋଲି ସରିଲା।
କିଏ କ୍ଲେମ କରିବ?
ଆଉ ଯଦି କିଏ ଆସିବ ଇଏ ବି ୟାଙ୍କର ସେଇ ତ ହଉଛି ଜିନିଷ, କିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ହିଁ ସେ ଦେଖେଇ
ପରେ କଣ ହେବ କି ନ ହେବ ବୋଲି
ଆକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲା ପରେ ଯଦି ଇଏ ଆକୁ ଦେଲା ପରେ ଇଏ ତାକୁ ସୋଲ୍ଡ କରିବେ।
ସ୍କ୍ରାପ କରିବ
କଣ ସେଇ
ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ତମ ଘରୁ କୁଡା ଦାନା ତମ କୁଡା ଯୋଉ ଉଠେଇ allowed order follow tomorrow.
Item 68.
The last order. This here, I have challenged the order passed by the learned session of Sambalpur, by virtue of which order will by virtue of which order the learned session has reduced the maintenance amount awarded by the learned JMFC Sambalpur.
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ?
The same for the wife yours.
Wife କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା maintenance amount ଥିଲା?
Award ହେଲା 5,000 per month maintenance, 3,000.
ଆପଣ husband କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
Software engineer
ସେ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡି ସାରିଲାଣି।
ଆରେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ କହନ୍ତୁ, ଯେତେ ଲୋକ କେସ୍ ଆଇଲେ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତି, ସଫ୍ଟୱେର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ସବୁ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନା କଣ? ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ବୋଲି କହି ଆଫ୍ଟର କରୋନା ୱାର୍କ ଫ୍ରମ ହୋମ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିଦେଲା, ୱାର୍କ ଫ୍ରମ ହୋମ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିଲା। ମଗେଇ ବି ତାର କୋଉ ଅଫିସରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲା କହିଲେ ମୋ ତାକୁ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି।
income tax return of the last 3 years.
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଇନକମ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ରିଟର୍ନ ଚାକିରି ନ କଲେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁନି। କମ୍ପାନୀ ନା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ, ଏତେ କଥା ନାହିଁ। କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ନୋଟିସ ଦେବି, ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜଣା ପଡେ। କମ୍ପାନୀ ନା କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଚାକିରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା, ଇଏ କି କଥା? ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡ଼ିବା ବସିଥାନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ମାଗିଲେ ସେଦିନ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି ଚାକିରି। ଆଜି ଖାଉଛି କଣ, ପିଉଛି କଣ, କଣ କରୁଛି ସେ? ଖାଲି ସଫ୍ଟୱେର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ହଠାତ୍ ହାୱା ଖାଉଛି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ବନିଗଲା।
Total area amount is 6,30,000 has not paid a single.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ମଗାଅ।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ କୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ, ଆପଣ ଏତେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁନି। ଆପଣ କୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଛାଡି ସାରିଲାଣି।
କେବେ କି କୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ ତ ନାଁଟା ଥିବ?
Your lordship kindly see the order.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିବିନି, ଆପଣ କୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ ନାଁ କହିବେ ନା ନାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Working in a India.
Capgemini India Private Limited.
କୋଉଠି?
ସେଟା
ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ।
ହଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଚେନ୍ନାଇ। ଚେନ୍ନାଇ
Capgemini.
It is a
Tamil
top class
Nadu.
Huh?
top class company.
Huh?
Capgemini.
Huh?
It is a top class company, man.
I know that, but he is not working nowadays.
Annexure 1, your lordship pays 10.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ you buy bags still ଯାହା ବି କରନ୍ତୁ you have to pay the money. Simple. ଆପଣ ଏରିୟର ପଇସା ଆଗ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସେ ପରା କହିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସିଏ
ନେଇଯିବ।
କଣ କହିଲା ଛାଡ଼।
My lord, I am agree to take back. My lord, in mediation, she କହିଲା ନା your lordship kindly see the
Divorce has been passed with us on 18/5/2023 with us.
You challenge that. If divorce have been filed, you challenge
directed both the parties.
file the matter.
Your lordship directed both the parties to appear before the mediation
ସେଥିରେ
center.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି divorce particular
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
person ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି।
ସିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ସେ instead of
And your
appearing
lordship
before
also
the
directed to pay 1 lakh plus he has not paid till that, your lordship.
ଆପଣ 1 lakh ଦେଲେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 1 lakh
Your lordship said 3 lakhs.
arrange କରିପାରିନି till date my lord.
Plus 1 month has been passed and
Till date
saying
3
that
ମାସ କହିଥିଲେ।
your lordship said 3 lakhs. He said that my
And
land
she
is
did not
subject to
appear. I am
pay-
agree to take back. Still my
Who are the other people who are in your family?
father, old parents.
Father କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ?
lecturer, retired lecturer at BD College, getting pension for 40,000 per month.
ଆଉ କିଏ ରହନ୍ତି?
Brother at United English, London.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଏଇଟା।
ସବୁ ଜାଣିବେନି ସେ ୱାଇଫ ଜାଣି ଆପଣ ସିନା କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତି କହନ୍ତିନି।
My lord, your
Not getting
my lord,
single
my lord, my lord, the petitioner not complied the of lordship's direction.
Why is that? ପଇସା ଦେଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଆସିଲେନି ଏଠିକି। ଆମେ ତ
ସେ କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେବେ ଏତେ କଥା ଆସିବ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିବ? ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ନା ପଠେଇଦେବେ ତା ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ପଠେଇଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ତାକୁ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ପଠେଇଦେବେ ଯାହା କରିବେ କରିବେ। Why should ସେ
2 ମାସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସମୟ।
ଆଉ ମୁଁ କେତେ ସମୟ ଦେଇଥିଲି?
2 ମାସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମାସେ ଯାଇଛି।
Within
18 wheelers.
Within 1 week now pay 2 lakh rupees.
Number 1 day ରେ କୋଉଠି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଗାଡ଼ କରିବେ?
କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଆଣନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କିଏ କହୁଛି? I am not
The order passed.
order has been passed, you have to comply. So you don't say କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିବି ଏସବୁ କହିବେନି। ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ NBW
And order was passed on 18/3/2018 wheelers, 13/2/2018 wheelers.
Sir ଦେଇଛି ପଇସା ନା your lordship kindly see.
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଗପ ଶୁଣିବା ନାହିଁ ଏବେ କେତେ ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ଏରିୟର କେତେ ଅଛି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
6,30,000.
don't argue for
Millers.
unnecessary ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ
Millers.
ବସନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦିଆଡୁ ଇଆଡୁ କଣ ଚାଲିଛି
Millers.
ଇଏ ଇଣ୍ଟରଜେକ୍ଟ କରୁଥିବ ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଜେକ୍ଟ କଣ କୋର୍ଟ ନା ମାଛ ବଜାର
Millers.
ପ୍ଲିଜ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ବସନ୍ତୁ
Millers.
ବିଲ୍ ଆଗ ବସନ୍ତୁ
24 ରେ ବି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା your lordship under section 24
ମୁଁ
ମାନେ
ଏତେ
they have filed
କଥା
a
ଶୁଣିବି
divorce.
ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଏରିୟର କେତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ what is the area amount how much
Earlier ହେଲାଣି।
ଏରିୟର ଦେଲା ପରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଏରିୟର ନ ଦେବା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି
Page 57, your lordship.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା ଏମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନା
My lord, what my lord keep it
6,30,000.
next week my lord I will calculate the area
6,30,000.
and what amounts I have paid in section 24 and in this case my lord I will calculate and
Plus
file a
area
memo
is
my lord.
6,30,000, your lordship.
My lord file a memo. I will file a memo. Keep it next week.
6,30,000 wheelers. The area
what is
amount.
the order of divorce
Plus divorce has been passed plus in CP number, in separate proceeding.
They have filed.
65 of 2014. 65 of 2014 by the Judge Family Court, Sambalpur. How she will survive not getting a single
what are you doing
plus home housewife plus
କେତେ କେତେ ପାଠ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି
BTech କରିଛି
ବିଟେକ୍ ରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହାଉସ ୱାଇଫ
my God.
କି ବିଟେକ୍ ର ଲାଭ
He did not allow me to join anywhere, your lordship.
ଏବେ ତ କରିପାରନ୍ତେ
ମୋର ଏଜ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ
କେତେ କେତେ ହେଇଛି
38 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହେଇଗଲା।
38 is not age ଚାକିରି ମିଳିବନି କି କରିବ ଆରାମସେ ମିଳିବ
32
34 as of
34 as under 34
ଅଧିକ ଅଧିକ ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ କୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ଫେଭର ପାଇବା ବୋଲି ମିଛ କହିବେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମିଛ
ଏବେ ଏବେ କହିଲେ 38 କାଇଁ କହିଲେ ତାହେଲେ 34 ତ 38 କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
36 ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା 21 ରେ ବିଲାସ।
36 ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଏଠି
37
ଧରା ପଡିଲେ ଇନୋସେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲେ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଯେତେବେଳେ ନ ସବୁ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିକି କହିବେନି
ବିଲାସ।
Anyway.
I will calculate my lord my lord area and what amount I already paid my lord calculate I file a memo. Thereafter your
ଆପଣ
lordship-
ମୋ ଅର୍ଡର କାଇଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେନି
ନାଇଁ 2 ମାସ ପରେ ମାସେ ଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ମାସେ ଅଛି arrange
2 ମାସ
କରିକି
ଦେଇଛି ଟାଇମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
No, no, no.
2 ମାସ ହଜୁର
ଅର୍ଡର
କହିଥିଲେ
ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିଲ
The lordship order dated
9
ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ କାହିଁ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ? When the court is in your favor, you are supposed to keep mum. Why are you not keeping mum? Unnecessary ଅଧିକ କଥା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଅଧିକ କହିବେ ନା କଣ? ବସିବା ଇଏ ନାହିଁ। Have a court manner. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିଛି ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଚାରିଲେ କହିବେ।
ମୁଁ ମାସେ ମାଗୁଥିଲି ହଜୁର କହିଥିଲେ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ଟାଇମ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Your lordship directed both since the husband. Since your lordships, my lord, husband is ready to take back. Your lordship directed both.
ଅଧିକା କଥା ନାହିଁ। Lord Counsel for the petitioner is directed to comply with the order passed by this court 9/10/2023 with regarding the maintenance amount, area maintenance amount, which was a part of the maintenance amount, which was directed to be paid. Sorry, a sum of rupees 1 lakh was directed to be paid by the present petitioner as part of the area maintenance amount. The same has not yet been paid. The petitioner is granted 1 week time to pay the area maintenance. This is the matter on 6th December.
May I pray, my lord? 15 days your lordship.
15 December. How 15 days?
15 days your lordship.
already there, sir.
15 दिन आगे
ना नहीं बिल्कुल 1 लाख देबे
सप्ताह आगे सप्ताहटा करिक आगे
15 तो कहि दिते अकाउंट
15 दिन करते
सप्ताह देली परा
15 days
तथा अधिक दिन पाइलेनी तो 6 तारिख लगैछि
no your lordship
more than 10 days
your lordship malad complying the earlier order your lordship may serve 15 days
sir I am not going to do anything 1 week रे आपण देबे मैं 1 week रो अधिक टाइम पाइलेनी 10 days पाइलेनी paid within 10 days आ 6 तारिख ले 10 दिन ऊपर हेला आ कोन 15 days more than 10 आगे दियंतु तारे कथा next
item 69
pardon your lordship 28/11 को अछि mediation पई first charge shot miss हे
okay Lord Counsel the petitioner submit that since the
I am for the opposite party my lord
I am for the petitioner
okay opposite party submit that since the mediation is on 28/11/2023 let the matter be listed on 15th December
published
let's see
problem
next
item 71
This case, I am for the opposite party.
Which for the petitioner Nandi last time in Nathle
No, this is the first time after my appearance this matter is listed first time.
Okay, non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 15th December.
Let's see, direct the survey copy of the revision petition. I have appeared so much.
Lokoda aile to loko hi asini loko asu dekhe next
72
non for the opposition opposite party khale petitioner logo pade gale
and for the informant
land counsel for the informant opposite party Mr. Panda Prabhas Chandra Panda APS कौन इश्यूटा कौन है कितना
question पे charge question पे आछंती
हां
kidnap कर नहीं थले मो झियो को
64A
yes
discharge
पे kidnap करी की माने asking for ransom or
no
खाली
only kidnap
so
that's what
66 and 354 there
72 lots. On behalf of Mr. S.K. Das, may kindly be taken 1 week after.
Petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
What is the case?
The petitioner.
You have not read the file. When you are coming to my court, at least please read the file. I request all the junior counsel.
Discharge against us.
What is the ground for that? Why you should be discharged? Go through the file. Read it. So much time I have left. You can argue comfortably. This is an opportunity, people never realize that. This is the opportunity you should utilize.
Lordship, the petitioner filed a petition under section 227 CRPC for discharge. The learned trial court rejected the said petition. Thereafter, the present petitioner filed this petition before this honorable court.
Then what is the ground for your discharge? On what ground you are seeking discharge? Just filing a discharge petition is not sufficient. You must have some cogent ground. This is the reason why this is a mistake committed. That's why there's a discharge. What is that? Yes. Why falsely implicated? You are saying. Are they falsely implicated? Yes. You have not done anything. You have not done anything. Assistant. Right. Page 30 ground. You don't read the file, unfortunately. No junior counsel reading the file, just simply as a adjourn kar diyantu, possible. Now she should do some exercise, no? Then she will read. Yeah. First come to page 3. Page 3. These grounds are also very vague.
Medical examinations are totally false.
Medical examinations. Medical examination ही थी?
नहीं तो दरकार नहीं.
How many years you have put in
Medical
practice?
examination, but it is not necessary.
कितने वर्ष practice चलानी?
3 years, Lordship.
3 years. By now you must have learned. You are just senior.
Saubhagya Kumar Das.
You have not read the file. What is your name?
Lipsa Mohanty.
Please come with. I mean, you will argue the matter. Huh? Remember. I will not allow your senior to argue. What is your number? लिख देता and name Lipsa Mohanty. Yeah, she will argue the matter. Okay. I am granting you 3-4 days time. Let's the matter on 29th. Ensure that you have to argue.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Then if your senior comes, he will sit beside you. Okay.
73.
Date 29th. 73.
Here conviction. Subsequent confirmation in the appeal. Then the Supreme Court has carried out to grant bail and stay of the duration fine.
Reading complete.
It's more seated as in.
Asini. Yes. Non-considerable state 6-1 time to obtain the CD. Is the matter?
No, I'll take the time.
1 week, how many? 2 weeks. Cook district ki. Huh?
Conta वाले है कासर time में.
Sambalpur.
Okay. Is the matter 11th. 74.
74. Wait, please, Your Lordship. The petitioner has been convicted under section 138 of NI Act.
NI
Act, my lord. My lord, the grounds of challenge to the conviction is only mainly on the 2 grounds, my lord. The signature on the bounce check is not of the present appellant, my lord.
That is basically the domain of the trial court. The High Court should not go into all the signature matching, not matching. I am not a handwriting expert.
My lord, that is a subject to Lordship's consideration, my lord. We had also filed an application for appointment of a handwriting expert.
You do that.
That petition was also allowed.
Allowed.
We did not avail. That was a mistake on our part.
Then who can help you?
That
is allowed and you did not avail, then who can help?
My lord, for a moment, just my lord may have a glance to page number 46, the signature on the check, the xerox of the signature.
I am not going to all these things. These are the subject matter of trial, mister.
On the face of it, my lord, on the signatures are different.
Maybe. So good local we move signature good करते हुए आगे अलग भी हीजी परे.
In fact,
so बोले समान रहे तमाम signature सब लोग 3 जगह समान है, not necessary.
My lord, they are also not similar in any way. Not a single letter.
Let the trial court go through this, na? Why should I scuttle the proceedings, mister?
My lord, another ground, my lord. My lord, the other ground.
What is
the examination of the complainant, my lord. In the examination complaint, the complainant has admitted that that signature has written by and also signed by one Basant Behra. That Basant Behra has put the name of the present appellant. However, the trial court on that particular point, the trial court has said that has observed that since it is a long trial, it is only natural on the part of on a person to get frustrated at some point and give prevaricating answers, my lord. However, he has admitted that Basant Behra has written the check, filled the check, and also signed the
Who is
check.
the opposite party? Opposite party na thi? Who is
Notice
it?
it, notice it.
Braja Kishore Naik, jai jita, notice for the Let's
Akshay
wait
Kumar
for the
Shah.
opposite party is not outdated. Non-appeals for the opposite party. This is the matter on fourth class. ଆସନ୍ତୁ କି ଗୁଡା ନହେଲେ ଏମିତି ତମେ କହିବ ସେ I was not given opportunity blah 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 ସବୁ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ସେଠି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ମାଳ ଦେବିବାର ସମସ୍ତେ ମାଷ୍ଟର ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ଦରକାର ନଦେଲା ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ହଁ I am not given opportunity ସବୁଥିରେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସ ମାଗିବେ ତାପରେ ଅନଫର୍ଚୁନେଟ so many people are after natural justice ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କଣ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କହିପାରିବେନି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କହିବାଟା କେହି ଛାଡ଼ିବେନି
Demarcation natural justice.
ସବୁଥିରେ ସବୁଥିରେ ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଦରକାର ପାଗଲ ହୁଏ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କାଁ ଏମିତି ଦାଣ୍ଡରେ ପଡିଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ଦିଆଯିବ ଦରକାର ସେଠି ନା ଆଉ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ନାଇଁ